What's it telling you?
Nothing. It just shows the screen of my YouTube.
Okay, fire. Okay, now pull up your screen on this screen, your chart on this screen.
You want me to pull up the chart?
Yep, look, you're live.
Alright. I can't
Fire.
full screen this shit, right?
What?
I can't full screen this shit, right? I have to
No,
do it
you
like
do.
this.
Yeah, it has to be like that.
Like, that's perfect, actually. Oh my god, it's so slow. Alright, let me send the Telegram link. The Zoom.
I'll do all that for you.
Fire.
Just set yourself up.
Well, I'm ready, I guess.
Send the Zoom, Jacob.
Yeah,
I'm
dude,
gonna
he's
send
doing that
everything.
right now.
I'll send everything.
Holy shit, this Wi-Fi.
Don't forget to read the chat.
Where's my chat gonna appear? Oh, I know where. Over here. Alright, so I'm gonna... where does the chat appear?
On that same page that you used to go live, go to your YouTube stream. Or just pull it up on your phone, bro. And then have your phone right next to your computer.
Oh, live. Will it pull up on scenes? Oh, right here, mini feed.
Alright, remember, stretch this out.
Switch what out?
Your chart.
More?
Yeah, to fill up the screen. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way.
What?
All the way to the left and all the way to the right, buddy.
Oh, by the way, I don't... Wait, can they hear us on YouTube?
Yeah. You got 30 people in there.
By the way, I don't.
Can you let everybody in from the Zoom?
I can't because you're host.
I see. Can the YouTube still hear me? Yo, Dollar. Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Can the YouTube... Can you YouTube hear me now?
Yes, they hear you always. Don't mute your mic on Zoom.
Alright, fire.
You're good. Alright, bro, look, all you have to do is now just set everything
Hold on, but yo, what's up, everybody?
Yo, what's good?
Oh, fire! I hear you guys.
Good morning, good morning.
Top of the morning. How's everybody's morning? Yo, Giovanni, you hear me?
Pretty tired.
Yes, sir.
What's good, what's good, what's good?
How do you guys hear? You guys hear everything fine? There's no echo?
Yeah, you echo sounds good.
Fire. Good shit, dollar. Alright, guys.
That shit was a mission, but we got it done, dude.
Yo, facts.
Dollars full of McDonald's.
Alright, let's see here. You're in.
JP, make sure you pin Giovanni.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Let's go here. Piri pim pim pim. Periquito pim pim. There we go. There we go. Let me admit, everybody. This what's up. Let's see.
Alright, so who just came from London session? Who traded London session today? Do you guys take any trades?
I didn't. I was
Nah.
sleeping.
Been hella ugly today.
It was ugly?
Yeah, everything's ranging, so I just waited for New York.
Sheesh. Alright. You're waiting for us.
Oh my god. There we go. Yo, my thing. Is it laggy for you guys? My screen?
Just a little bit.
Yo, I don't know what's happening with my trading view. It's not obeying me. Fuck all these drawings. Alright, let's see if there's any news today. That's everything. Every day, the first thing I do before hopping on a chart, seeing if there's any news. Just to expect the unexpected, right? I don't want to get blindsided by something somebody said or some. Oh, look, there is some news. 6 a.m. on FOMC at 12. Alright, we should be chilling. Oh, look, there's GBP JPY news, Giovanni, at 2:35.
2:35.
What is it?
At 2:35?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, yeah. Let's see.
Go here real quick. Guys, this is always the first two websites that I look at before looking at my chart. Just so I can know what's going on, you know? On the economic side of events, all that. Try to see if the dollar is looking strong against other pairs. So I'm looking at gold, right? So now based off this Finvis chart, it tells me that gold's performing a little low. little bearish today. The dollar seems to be outperforming every pair today. Doing pretty good. Alright, let's go to the charts. On the wing.
I feel like that GG is having a little more volume than there was yesterday.
GJ? Let me see. Well, yesterday was a bank holiday. It was kind of weird, right? But yeah, we don't know. We got EJ.
And EJ has volume too.
Bank holidays don't affect us. Let's see. What's GJ at?
Amazing play on GJ, caught 70 pips, run move before been happening late. Yeah, low key. Gold is best to wait for CPI. We mostly likely gonna be ranging till news come out, in my opinion, Dr. Flip.
But isn't news like at 12? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it was at 12, right?
Alright, let's set up our charts real quick. So, go here. Let me just move up a little bit. Yeah, I saw news was at, well, there's news, ongoing news right now at 6 a.m., but I don't think it's a biggie. I think the news to look for, if anything, is the 12 o'clock news, but it was a yellow folder news, so I don't think it should really make much difference. I'm just setting up my higher time frame zones at the moment, guys. Starting off with the weekly. We'll put it over here. This one yesterday was a little too big, so I'm gonna make it a little smaller this time. Just a little bit lower, right there. Come down to my daily. I try not to overwhelm myself with too many zones on my higher time frames, just one or two. The floor and your roof, and here, let's go put one right here. Is where I like it. We're gonna make it a little smaller. Bam. Alright, go down to the 4 hour. Make sure we're gonna get our, here we start to use the horizontal line instead of the rectangle, just so I don't confuse myself with what's what. I try to, like I said, I try to keep the rectangles strictly only for higher time frame zones, and then the horizontal line for lower time frame zones. My trading view is really giving me some patience. Was your screen laggy yesterday when you were streaming, Snipes?
It was different than before. I don't know why it was like.
What do you mean it was different than before?
It didn't. My screen wouldn't lag like it lagged yesterday.
It's probably the Streamlabs, bro. That shit takes up so much shit.
Dude, I'm running so much shit on a MacBook right now. I thought MacBook Pros were the shit. Guys, don't get a MacBook Pro. It's fucking ass. Like,
That Razer. My Razer fucking killed the streams, bro. At the beginning.
dude, well, I remember myself, like, when I was back in the day looking for a laptop, I'm like, oh, MacBook Pro, it's the best thing. It's a MacBook, you know, it costs this much. It must be able to do everything. Yeah, right.
Fucking crap.
Yeah. Oh. Guys, if this fucking live stream gets 1,000 likes, I will give away my MacBook Pro to one of you guys and buy myself a new.
Yeah, now we gotta get a dog.
Fed up. Alright, whatever, but at least we have a laptop to trade off of, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so go here. Just try to find 2 to 3 zones within the 4-hour, hourly, and the 30-minute. So we're just gonna go here. Ooh, I like this one right there. We're gonna move it a little bit down when it wants to. A little bit. There we go. I like that. Too low. What I like about these horizontal lines is that they're pretty precise too. You don't have to worry about a big ass block in your way or blocking. Go down to the 1 hour. Oh, look right there. Right over here at the bottom. Bam. I'll possibly start looking for gold sell soon. Let me let these people in real quick. If we can break below.
Yeah, if you go to security, you can disable the waiting room on Zoom. Disable waiting room and then you're good.
More. All right, there we go. Thank you, sir.
You got it.
And then if price decides to break, where are we going to have our target levels? We will have our target levels right around.
Somebody said past phase 2 today. Sheesh, freedom trading wave.
Hey, let's go.
Good job, brother.
You got this. And then this is too much of a gap. So let's try to see if we can go to the 30-minute to maybe find. Hey, do any of you guys use these lines? I've been using these rays just so I can, like for example, I'll go here and bam. I'll use a ray instead of a line. I'll treat it like a line, but I just don't take it all the way far back. We can put another one here. Now we're in the 30-minute, guys. So now we're looking for possible entries, but we're not gonna enter yet of any trade because we've only been looking at our zones, right? I don't use SMAs anymore. I keep it simple. I try to look at the 4-hour time frame, support and resistance. Are we at the top? Are we at the bottom? Is price ranging? Does the 4-hour candle look like it wants to engulf any other candle? Does it want to break above, break below? You know, so I start looking for things, other confirmations like trading. If I'm looking for sales, I want to be trading below this range right here, this area of support, before I'll go and execute on the sales. Because yeah, we can break out of this area of support, but what if we tap back in and price doesn't want to sell off? It just wants to continue to range or just wants to go and fly. So always very tentative to that.
So where are you looking for buys or sells?
So I'll possibly be looking for buys at above 6. That's kind of a big move. Well, no, not really. Buys above 1673, 1673 is cleaner, giving me clean indication that price can come up and tap 1683. Or we can catch the sells below 1660. So I'm gonna put it for you guys. Those are just my safe sells and buys. You know, you can be risky and take buys, you know, here or at the break of these highs. But what if price decides to come and reject this area at 1673? So, we put this for you guys here. This one we'll make it green, just to not mess with our psychology.
And GG's coming up. It's coming up right now.
What are you looking at, JJ?
Yeah, we're gonna let him share his screen soon. Guys, on Zoom, if you want to look at Giovanni's screen, you're gonna have to look at it on YouTube. But just let Dr. Pip do his thing.
Also, guys, these are things that I like to identify right now at the moment. Like, I like to identify my zone 1, zone 2, range 1, range 2, right? This right here, just drawing this up for myself helps me see any little rangy areas that we could be in, right? So, to whoever said that it would probably be better to enter gold at 12 or when news come out, you could be right, you know, and that's why we're gonna have this area of this rangy area helping us identify, like, let us know, hey, when if we're gonna enter here, be careful, right? Yeah, we can get in here at the bottom, take it to the top, or get in here at the top, take it to the bottom of this little range that we're in. But we don't really want to be in an area where price is just consolidated, right? So we start to break above these areas, it'll be cleaner. So my overall analysis on gold, I'm still bearish, bro. Like, if we look at the market trend that we're in right now, we just had like a huge sell-off yesterday. We've been selling off lately, so I'm not gonna go and look for buys when the market trend is telling me sells on the higher time frames, right? So let's go in. I'm gonna add another line here just in case, just for later in the day. It's not important for now, but definitely helps me later in the day. So those are my zones on gold. And throughout, also look, guys, see how sometimes your zones may not look right, or maybe you're missing an area where you could add a zone. So I always double check when I think I'm done with my zones, just to make sure that my zones are set correctly. If there's any area that I can add, you know, you add it, and that's it. In terms of zones, does anybody have any questions on my zones?
No.
Everything looks fine, bro. I'd rather take sells on our gold because we're just so bearish, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
If you guys noticed yesterday, it was looking like they wanted to fly and then keep on faking on buyers. So you don't want to get stuck in any of those. So for gold, I think sticking with market structure would be the best thing. Also here with GJ, we kind of are still a little bit bearish at GJ, but we gotta see what happens.
All right, so let's let Giovanni do the GJ analysis.
You guys see my screen on YouTube?
No, not yet. I have to do this real quick. Hold on. Alright, they should be able to see it now. No?
I'll let you know if they do. Alright, I think it should be good. So if you want to continue.
Okay. Do you guys see it?
It might be a little lagged.
I'm looking at the YouTube right now too.
There you go. Oh, JP, it's all fucked up.
Yeah, I thought all I had to do was click the little I button.
Yeah, I guess something changed.
Pulls a switcheroo on us.
If you want, just let him control your screen, though.
Good luck, dog. It's gonna be super laggy, but I'm gonna All right. How do I here?
Alright, I'm gonna request.
Dale. Approve.
Alright, perfect. Alright, so GJ. What do I see right now on GJ? Let's see.
Wait, you're not doing anything.
There you go.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, now you are. Is it laggy?
A little bit. Alright, let's go over to the bigger time frames.
Shout out to the 50 people in this shit though.
Yo, facts. You guys are
I know,
patient.
guys. It's a work in progress. Don't worry. Dr. Pip is gonna catch a winning trade and buy himself a new computer today, and that's it.
Alright, so what do I see here on the 4 hour? Alright, if you guys notice, we're here on this bearish momentum. We've been on this bearish momentum now for a while now. It's been since the starting of the month, right, through October. Right. So, but when would I start taking some buys? I'll definitely start taking some buys if we start getting some closures above this area over here, especially over here. But here would be a little bit riskier buys. If we start getting closures above over here, so let's come here now to the smaller time frames. Maybe the 30-minute. Let's kind of start marking up for some. Just a little bit laggy. Okay. Alright, so here at this moment we have a very important zone right here at this 160, 1600 level. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna extend this real quick. Okay, perfect. Right over here. If we start breaking above this area over here, and we start closing, and potentially get a break and retest of this area over here, making this resistance of support, then there, I'll definitely start looking for some buys. Now, on the shorter time frames, right here, if we start coming into this level over here, I'll draw it out for you in the 15-minute. Because this is kind of what I was looking right now on my computer. There you go. If we start coming over here, right, and we start indicating that we're going to start now going bearish, and then closing over here, and then coming into this area over here, and then over here I could definitely start looking for some sells. Alright, but it's the same thing for the buys and for the sells. I wanted to close below here and then make this support into a resistance, right? For this, now start coming down. And potentially start looking for around this area over here for GJ. Or over here in this 400 level. Okay. Shit, there, okay. And that's what I see right now for GJ. But we still have to be patient, boys. What I noticed yesterday is that we tend to always retrace the move for London. Right, so what happened yesterday for London? Well, not yesterday, like a few hours ago. We were, in a way, we were a little bullish. Alright, if you guys notice over here. Wait, let me see. But actually, no, we were bearish. And then here, we retraced the move. Now what we could start doing right now is keep on going where market direction is, right? So potentially we could start coming bearish here. So if we start closing below over here, I'll definitely start looking for some sells. What do you think, JP? What do you think, Dollar?
I think so.
I
think even if we get a bearish engulfing right here at this area, we could easily start to sell.
And having some stops above here, yeah. Those are a little riskier stops, but definitely
yeah, under there is definitely cleaner.
I'll be looking for this over here too, because I do see that there was a fake out over here. We faked out these buyers, right? And it's definitely gonna come now and stop them out. Why? Because we're bearish, right? if people are buying over here, they don't understand that there's no the market, this market structure is bearish, right? So most of the time those people get stopped out, right? So they'll definitely be getting stopped out around this area here. If we start coming around here and we close, then we could definitely start looking for some sells. But price comes over here, I wouldn't even think twice about taking sells.
I like it.
I think we should be able to tap into that little area at 161,500.
Yeah. Right, so look, if you guys notice here, here we have this right here. So you see it would be almost exactly 20 pips if we start engulfing over here, closing below here. But now the possibilities for this 15-minute candle to come close over here are very small, because now we're closing in 50 seconds. But if we start getting some bearish candle, the next 15-minute starts closing below here, then you already know. Okay? But I do want to wait for a little more momentum. I don't want to get in when there's prices moving like this with small candles. So yeah.
So now what are we doing? We're waiting.
Yeah, we're just waiting for now. I wanna make an analysis for gold. See what goes on. Kind of give you guys a perspective on what I see. We do have a little bit more volume here on gold, right? So sometimes it's maybe better to sticking to these periods that have more volume in the market, because you don't want to be stuck in those little ranges, right? But if you guys notice here, JP has these two ranges that he created, this is range 1 and range 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now that we're closing back into range 1, you want to start looking for some closures above this area over here, right? And that's pretty much it. You don't want to be trading inside any of these ranges. You know what I see for gold.
Yeah, some people would think that it'd be valid to take those buys right there, breaking those previous
The thing is,
highs,
I wouldn't really take buys here because we're super bearish, right?
Exactly.
But if you notice here, if we start closing above here we would be breaking market structure and we'd be shifting over to buyers. We would be bullish now if we start at least coming into this area over here, right? Because we haven't been doing that. We haven't done that for a while. We haven't had.
We've just been selling off.
We've definitely been selling off. So if we start creating closures over here at this area, then now it's shifting. Now buyers are getting more momentum. So then there is where I would definitely start looking for some buys. Over here, I already wouldn't be looking for a trade. All right. For a sell, I would definitely be looking for a sell. We start closing below over here, and definitely breaking and retesting this area here. So that's kind of what I just see for gold.
What's up with Chad? Chad's dead? Are you guys awake or some shit?
I think they said something. Let me see.
It's too early for Chad, huh?
Yeah, bro. I'm still trying to get used to the schedule too. Hang out with me, guys. But yeah.
You're in the chat, man.
Gold at a daily flip support. Yeah.
I don't use flips.
That's why we're holding over here.
It's pretty nice to know that. Yeah, if we break that area of 1660, we should come back down to 1640.
Yeah.
Possibly 1620.
Sheesh, we got 69 motherfuckers in here, bro.
69.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Arriba la mafia.
What's up, motherfuckers? Talk to us, man.
How was London? Was London like this? Like just rangy? What were you looking at, dollar, for London?
What was I gonna say? Bro, wait, what'd you say?
Was it like this last night?
Like what?
Just rangy?
Yeah, it was super rangy, bro. And we got that little push. You see the breakout kind of there? but that was pretty much it. I was gonna enter on that kind of flip, but there was no stop loss, and it had to be an impulse entry on the 15-minute. But no, it was rough. I was fucking dying to get out of there.
Someone said Nas buys. That's it. If you notice here, it kind of does look like gold too. You probably want to start looking for some buys above these areas over here. But over here, if you notice, we're still kind of in the low range.
Guys, I'm gonna get some coffee.
We could be faking out buyers over here for to keep on coming with this market structure. So that's what I see for US trading. I'm gonna get
gold was pretty clean to trade during London, but other than that, it was pretty fucked. Like GJ was just in that range. We did a fake out breakout that I was debating on taking, but then I don't know. I really didn't like the way the market was setting up. I'd rather have a no trade day than a lazy day, in my opinion. Or a trade or a day that I have to force a trade. But either way, we're here for a reason. We're here to see if maybe we can, if the markets can set up for New York, catch any trades like that.
Damn, so I went for coffee, and I said fuck coffee. Got some iced tea and my water.
Zoom, if you guys want to chat with us, bro, you guys can. Just
1
feel
hour
free to
double
unmute.
top on gold.
Ask us any questions. JP, pin yourself.
I did. Didn't I?
That's what I see here for Nas, boys.
You want it? You're pinned? Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, bro.
Yes. TMO, wait. Let me mute TMO real quick.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Dollar. It's me, Savage Dad.
Good morning.
Guys, how are you?
Good, and you?
Here at the airport, the different Dollar is in bed, but he's trading. That's good. That's good.
This is how I trade New York session.
That's good, guys. That's good. That's good. Both of you were right on the point. We have to wait, be patient. The opening of the market will dictate. Last night was a shit night for a lot of people. A lot of people lost accounts, and you trade on the night where there is some news. We had like 3 or 4 news in G-Day. And you got to get out. You got to get out and wait for New York or 24 hours.
Yeah, definitely.
What type of news was last night?
But I think what a lot of new traders want to do is they want to just force trades every night to just have that rush, you know? The adrenaline of being in a trade, or like boredom trades, like just being in a trade because you're bored, and I think that's what blows accounts mostly.
Will y'all trade on Asian if it taps in the trade zone? Will y'all enter or wait? I don't know. It all depends. Like, it depends on what I'm doing, to be honest with you. Like, if I'm busy and I'm not looking at the charts and it's in my zones, I'm not gonna get in the trade. I've been trading more at my office lately, and if I'm not at the office with this, which is this setup where I'm at, I try not to trade. Remember, it's more about treating this like a business. The more you treat this like a business, the more profitable you'll be. By what I see.
I'm gonna hop off here, boys.
Got it, brother. Have a good night or a good day.
Alright, guys. You guys are in good hands. JP, if you call the trade, call it in the chat, please. So if I'm still awake, I will be in it with you.
Sounds good, Brody.
Alright. Good luck, guys. You guys are gonna kill it. Chat, keep them entertained, boys. Remember, if there's no questions in the chat, there's nothing to react to, there's nothing to do. So you guys have a job here too. And it's to keep us entertained so we continue doing these lives for you guys. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your night. Peace.
Peace. Enjoy your day. I really don't know how he does it. I can't sleep during the day. Yo, Giovanni, bro. Snipes. Yo, do you hear me?
Hey, JP, we can hear you good. I don't know if Snipes can hear you or not.
Oh, do you guys hear me?
Oh, I think you were mute.
Damn, dude, I was muted this whole time.
Dude, you know what I think I'm gonna start doing whenever I just... Cause, guys, this is new to me. Like, this whole waking up early to trade and, you know, look at the charts. Getting out of bed is so hard. But yeah, when you get out of bed, it's so easy. So I started putting, like, cold water on my face. Wakes me up. I think I'm gonna stick to those cold showers. Like I
Bro,
used
you
to.
noticed you got up, bro. Like, you get up and you don't really want to wake up, but then when you're up, bro.
Facts.
That's it. That's all it takes.
I'm ready for my day, bro.
So now we're getting a little more volume here on GJ. See, 30-minute closes in 5 minutes.
I'm always just so to actually trade. I'll get in on my phone through the MetaTrader app, but to analyze, I look at the computer.
Yeah.
It just doesn't feel right. I don't know. I used to trade walking around. I'd be at a park, at the dog park with my dog, and then I get an alert. I go on my phone, and then I just become too isolated from whatever's going on around me.
Yeah. I don't know, bro. I've been pretty consistent at just trading London session. But sometimes when dollar would call it like those gold trades, I'll definitely be in like around like 9 p.m. Eastern and shit.
Dude, Eric, I don't know, man. What do you recommend? Should I just leave my breakfast for 12 p.m.? Try not to eat anything in the morning? I'm telling you, I was gonna go get coffee and look what I ended up getting. Some tea, some water, no caffeine, no food. Have we looked at EJ? I have it.
Let's see what's going on with AJ.
It's right there at the bottom.
Oh, it's in the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it up here.
I see. Eric, I don't know why. I feel like you're some super fit, huge, buff guy, bro, or something. Like, I really want to meet you someday. Not because of that, but something to do.
It looks nice here. I like what it's making. Like a little double bottom here on the 4-hour. That's what I see right now on the 4-hour. Let me mark up this zone right here. It's very important.
Yeah, it is looking choppy.
Okay. I think this is an important 4-hour zone right here that we're about to break right now. I'm definitely a little more bullish than bearish. Look, VA zone is here. We came into this area and we rejected once. We rejected 3 times actually. Now, is there a possibility that we're gonna reject 4 times? Yeah, there could, right? But how are we gonna not get faked out? The way by not getting faked out is that we wait for some closures above these areas here of rejection. If we get a closure above these areas here of rejection, then there's more possibilities for the price to go up, right? Because it would be different than all these rejections, right? We start getting closures. So people in the markets are gonna take that as okay, this is a confirmation. That price now doesn't want to reject this area anymore and wants to start coming up. So that's what I see here on EJ.
Yeah, I'm safe buys above 41,800.
Look at GJ. I like GJ. You guys notice here there's a little morning star. JP, did you end up learning what a morning star was?
A little bit. I just have to keep going over it.
Yeah, but now I just see it in the market all the time. You notice here we have so much momentum. Just because of this formation right here. It's basically the Jimmy drip. But I don't even like calling it that. It's a little bit confusing.
Jimmy drip.
But yeah, that's what here on the 30 minutes about to close here in 1 hour. 1 minute.
Dude, so much reaction at that area.
Yeah, there is a lot of rejection. But we have to start closing. We have to start closing above these areas over here.
Now, do y'all do like dollar and wait for it to close, the candle close, and then enter on the flip?
Yeah, for sure. Because here, especially here, because if we're rejecting this area over here, we've rejected this area now more than 3 times, right? So let's say we get in on a buy right here. There's no confirmations that this is gonna go up. There could be possibilities that this could just hit this resistance right here and then come right back here to the support, like it did in all these times. So here we would have to wait for a candle closure.
Okay, good stuff. I was just asking the question so that everybody else can know, because they're not asking questions, they're all quiet.
No, yeah, bro.
Probably sleeping. Probably sleeping. Come on, guys, let's wake up a little. Shall we do some stretches? Do some jumping jacks? Get the blood flow going?
Little music. Lofi.
Yeah, bro, play some music.
JP, you wanna do it?
Yeah, I just don't know if it's gonna play, if like the YouTube and the Zoom's gonna be here. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, we could try. If they don't hear it, then we're gonna have to listen. Did you guys just wake up, or did you guys like stay up the whole night? Because I know a lot of people are doing that right now.
I was up for London, but then I fell asleep, and I woke up for New York.
Oh shit! So you slept like what, like 3 hours, 2 hours?
Nah, I slept like an hour, honestly.
Oh shit!
Did you guys watch Dollar's vlog? That shit was pretty fire.
I don't watch it yet. I'm literally gonna watch it after this live stream.
Yeah, me too. I haven't even seen it yet.
Yeah.
Halloween lofi vibes. Interesting. What are you guys gonna do for Halloween? Do you guys celebrate Halloween?
I'm probably gonna go with my girl, because over here where I'm from, bro, there's like a cool little town named Hollister, bro, and they like do like a little event for Halloween.
Bye.
Good morning.
I'm going to something called Hocus Pocus. It's kind of like this little, it's like some DJ techno, like, kind of like festival.
Can you guys hear the music?
No, we don't hear it.
Nah, bro.
Oh, I know why.
I think that's something on the OBS.
Bro, I hate messing with OBS. Alright. Let's put it. I just don't want to mess with it, and then you guys can't hear me. Like, this is my first time using OBS and YouTube Studio and all that crap. I'm like scared of touching the wrong button, and then you guys.
Right now we're like dollar when he just like started like. But we'll definitely get better at this shit.
Can you guys hear it now?
Same elements.
Yeah, we do hear.
Is it loud?
It's chilling. It's not even bad.
Fire. I'm gonna lower it just a little tad because I know there's gonna be some people saying the music is too loud. Let me see if I can lower the hair.
But now we don't even hear.
There.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh look. Look at GJ go. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's gonna completely sell off, or you guys think it's gonna trace a little? Oh.
Let's see, maybe we start flipping, start closing.
Huh?
Let's see. See what happens. We have to be patient.
That. Play Ambition Wale. Oh, okay. I don't know we were feeling that way. That is actually a great morning song. Hustler's Anthem right there. I have it on my Apple Music. Let's just go. Yo. Oh, I don't know what you want me to do. Really?
Yo, guys. You hear me?
I hear you, yeah.
Oh, how come we don't trade USD pairs? It
Alright,
seems
data,
like
bro.
they move more during this time.
We trade. What do you mean? I'm trading gold? Just.
Like USD, GPD or GPD USD, all those.
Well, I don't know. It's for me personally. I just like I've traded GBP JPY, of course. I've traded USD JPY. I find it super slow. For that, I rather trade GJ. USD CAD, it's same thing. It's whatever.
Oh, okay.
Like I'm sure it moves good, and I'm sure it moves. You know, some pairs have the way of moving, but I've just gotten used to trading gold and GJ and US30. I like trading Dow. The Dow. It's pretty. I like trading it, but I like more like swinging it. But lately, I haven't been looking at it. We could look at it now if you guys want.
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, bro, same thing with me. I got used to trading JPY, gold, JPY, during session, and then those are the pairs I like right now have a psychological relationship with. But definitely during more time, I can start looking at those USD pairs. Now we're trading New York session. I'm sure that they move way better than they move during London session.
Yeah, I noticed that when the stock market opens at 9:30, that shit moves nice.
Yeah, it's moving better. But these are the pairs right now. For example, right now I have a winning streak for like a whole week and a half. Because I kind of don't know what these pairs like to do and stuff. But it'll definitely fuck up my psychology if I start trading another pair or something. But I do want to start back testing these other USD pairs, like USD CAD, USD JPY, Euro USD during the New York session, because I know that they move way better than some main GBP pairs. But yeah.
How long have you been trading for?
I've been trading now for 2 years.
Oh, that's fire.
Been profitable for a year and a half now. Do you guys hear that echo? Because people are saying in the YouTube chat there's an echo.
Yeah, Tori was calling me earlier to let me know that there was an echo to turn off the music.
Is there still an echo, or the music was the problem?
I think it's the music, because Tori called me after the music played.
Try like lowering down the music like that.
Lower would be off.
Then just turn it off. Cause I don't even hear you. But yeah, bro.
Sorry guys, I got a little carried away with this little trend line that I saw here. Sometimes I like looking for trends, you know. So, okay, so let's remove this. Set up our zones for here. Big boy zones. We're gonna lower this one just in case price decides to come down a little, just so it's not too big. Move this up right there. Come back and try to find the top. I guess we could put one here just for the daily. What would be cleaner? Alright, come down to the 4 hour. I don't know why, but I think I like, I'm sorry guys, I just get distracted with these trend lines. Because if there's a valid trend line, we can just come, tap an area of support or resistance, and test that trend line. So what I would like to see happen, and we can reject this area right here of 28,700, or yeah, right around there. If we can reject that area of support, we can bounce back up and tap this little trend line that we have set up here on the 4 hour, and we can catch a pretty nice move there. Couple $100 on this. Well, a couple 100 points on this move right over here. So what I would like to see happen, right, is price to come here, tap. We can come test this area again. We could either trade above it, right, to continue to possibly rip up, or we can reject this area right here and just come back down, tap, reject, or break out. So
That's pretty valid. It does look more bearish though.
yeah, but this area right here will help us identify our position or our bias.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, we've been selling off as well, so we gotta be careful with that. Also, let me look at, that reminds me, let me go here, the 1 hour real quick. Look at the 1 hour. Now in the 1 hour we have, that'd be a nice move. Those are the types of moves that I like catching on US 30, low key. You know, 4 hour moves. Support and resistance. Reject. Alright. Let's bounce it back up to the next top. 32,400. If we respect this trend line, 30,600, 30,400. Alright, we can either sell our position, we can either look for sells. Come back and tap into this area right here. Let me put here little, put a little line there. We can put another one right, no, we'll leave it like that. Damn, those buys are nice. But look, we gotta come and first touch this area, see what happens here. Whatever happens here will help me determine my position in the market with Dow. Let me look at US gold real quick. See what gold's doing. Hey, they're moving pretty similarly, huh? Set up my little trend line that I like to have. It's still been valid, which is why I continue to put it. We have a little trend line here that we can place, and this trend line is also valid on the weekly, and it's been valid for a couple weeks already. If we go to the weekly, as you can see, look how clean that is. Come to the daily. You could also put this right over here. So we can look at our channel, right? Now we have our downtrend channel identified. Click. Move this lower, and now we could look, as you guys can see, we have our lower high over here, lower low, lower high, lower low. Let me lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or we could possibly see the lower low, or we could reject and fly up. But this trend line, this downtrend channel has been pretty valid for the past couple weeks, and I've been using it, so that's why I know it's valid. It's what's been playing out. I mean, evidently, right? We see it here. So right now we are trading above the range. I mean, not above the range. We're more on. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Right here. We go here. It's not here. Where is it? There's this new tool I've been using. I want to see any of you guys have been using it, but it's been pretty dope to use. The regression trend. Uh-oh. No. Delete. Come over here.
Yo, bro.
Yo.
Do you think a good entry is now stop loss at 71, like 16.71, to take it all down to like the 60s and then
We're talking about gold?
50s? Yeah.
So the problem with getting it now that I see is this. I'll show you right now. Hold on. It's a little. What is this? Okay, that's my. Ignore this. I'm gonna delete this for you guys, so you guys don't get confused. Don't want you guys to think it's a trend line or something. The problem with taking sells right now, right? If we reject 1670 area, it could be clean. But what I rather do, I rather miss out on. Here it seems like 50 pips, right? From where prices are right now, 60, 70 pips. I'd rather be patient, miss out on those 70 pips. Many of you guys may think I'm crazy, right? But the probabilities of me catching those 70 pips are lower than the probabilities of me catching 70 pips here. Here, I have higher chances of winning my trade. Here, I have lower chances of winning my trade. We're in this little 30-minute range that I don't like. I want to start seeing us grab some momentum, pick up some volume, and start to have cleaner candles to a side where where price determines to want to go up or down, right? I don't want to go sideways. If we're sideways, price isn't, I'm just gonna be wasting my time. Like, I'm not gonna lie, yesterday, around 3:30, I got in a gold. What was it? It was gold sells, I think. Yeah, gold sells, and I was stuck in a range for like 8 hours. And price ended up stopping me out to come and hit TPs like at 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night. And I was like, oh my god! Like, I waited so many hours just for this to happen. Not the wave. So here, it's better to be patient. You know, news could get us on the wrong side too. We could be on the wrong side of the news. So let's just wait for things to play out, get some more confirmations towards our favor. In the meantime, we could start looking for those confirmations, for those confluences that we want to have in our favor before executing a trade, right? But right now, we're not even anywhere near. Like, I really want the sales to play out. Don't get me wrong. I want those sales to play out, right? But we also have to be open-minded to those buys. You don't want to get stuck with your bias. Many times it happens where one of us will have a bias on a certain trade, on a certain pair, and just because we want a certain thing to play out, we're oblivious to what actually could play out and what we could profit off of.
There's a question here. After passing phase 2 on my Forex funding, what do you wait for? Bro, your credentials. Just wait. It shouldn't take more than a couple hours for them to send your credentials, and that's pretty much it, bro. Stick with the same psychology you had when you were when you passed your challenge. It's the same shit, bro. Just keep on running. Don't try to make 1,000% for this month. Stick to trying to at least trying to get a withdrawal. A payout is gonna help you out a lot, right? $200, $300, $400, or whatever size account you have. 3%, 4%. It's better than not getting a payout. So just stick to that. What type of indicators do you use? JP doesn't really use SMAs, but I do use it for a lot of confluences. I use SMAs, and then that's pretty much it. I don't use any more indicators. Sometimes you gotta turning off the SVGs that cryptology taught me. But that's pretty much it. I see here that
SMAs are nice and all. They help give a good sense of direction of where price wants to go. Like right now in gold, for example, the pair that we're looking at the moment, I'm sure if anybody has their SMAs, like, they're probably sideways. So those are like extra confluences that you would like to have, just to have. Sometimes we have 4 confluences and the SMA ends up being the 5th confluence. So why wouldn't you take a trade that has like 5, 6 confluences to your favor? That's how we won that EJ trade yesterday. There was like 5 to 6 confluences to our favor, and it was pretty valid. And it was valid for a good point, and is why I executed and we took the trade.
Yes, sir. Here now I'm looking at GJ. I feel like it would be pretty nice for this 30-minute candle to flip.
You want to take over my screen, dog?
Yeah, I already have your screen. Alright, look.
Oh.
Let's see. Because I have my screen too.
Oh,
my
nice.
Monitor. Kind of do like let me see. So right here, what I see is that maybe if we could start flipping bullish, we could have some momentum to the upside. Why? Because over here, if you guys noticed, these candles over here that tapped on this resistance, they were very weak bullish candles, right? You notice over here, there is weak bullish candles. they were all weak bullish candles. But over here, you notice this candle was a little stronger, right? Which gives you clues that there is more buyers right now in the market, right? So that gives me, like, it's a clue basically, right? So I feel like if this candle right here, this 30-minute candle here could close, flip, we could start seeing this candle now start coming around to these areas over here. But now if we start coming down over here, it's not even valid anymore because your stop loss would be insane. And you just want to keep a 20 pip stop loss, right? But if it goes up from where it is right now, it could be valid to take some buys. But it kind of looks like it just wants to keep on coming down. Right, for EJ, this is what I was looking at EJ right now. EJ looks like now it hit this resistance and completely rejected it, right? Now what I'm waiting for here is, this is what I see right now for EJ. If we close right here, engulfing this candle right here, next candle opens up, creates a wick, I want it to flip, right? I would be getting it at the flip right here, at the next candle. And that's kind of what I see.
Big breakout setup, right?
Basically, yeah, it kind of faked out buyers over here, and then now it faked out. Now we're back into this range. We'll basically be trading the range, right? And I like sells way better than buys because we're bearish overall, right? So what are the possibilities now for price to come up here again? Now that we're still bearish, right? So it's pretty clean. But we still have to wait for those candle closures, because now if this candle comes up here and closes up here, then it's not even, everything I just said right now is not even valid. That's what I'm waiting for right now. And for gold, let me see what I see in gold. Yeah, basically what GP said. I wouldn't really be buying over here, just because these candles are super weak, bro.
Can you take a look at EU?
Yeah, of course.
EU.
Do you have EU here?
No.
Alright, let me just add it really quick.
EU. Yo, can you guys hear the jazz music in the background?
Yes, sir.
Is it
I
like?
have no music. I can't hear any music. They probably can hear it on the YouTube though.
And it's I have it playing on my. I have it playing on my TV.
This is low.
Yeah, it sounds good in the Zoom. Oh, God.
Yeah, I didn't want to put it too high. I didn't want to, I'm feeling a little jazzy.
Oh yeah, I can hear it now.
You have it in your TV?
Yeah.
Fire. That I think that's better.
That's EJ.
Alright, oh, this is EJ. Wait, what happened to EJ?
You got EU.
Not of a trade. I like using
Oanda.
It's way better. Yeah.
Yeah, the price are a little bit more closer.
Yeah. There we go. Alright, EU. I haven't seen this for in a while. Kind of does look like EJ right now. Alright, so yeah, basically same thing as EJ. If we start getting a closure below over here, and then next candle opens bullish and then flips, getting in at the flip of the candle is not a bad idea.
Look on the H4 and look on the daily too. Watch this. Sheesh.
Yeah, we're super bearish overall now. If this candle starts flipping bearish, we couldn't keep on coming down, right?
Zoom out a little bit more.
Yeah. We have.
Yeah, I've been trading for like 5 years. I get on support.
Good shit, brother. Yeah, so basically you already know that this is bearish market structure. Alright? What are we gonna do now? Most likely come and break these lows. Right? Look at the daily. If that daily starts flipping bearish, oh shit. if the daily starts flipping bearish, you already know where it's headed. Especially with this, with all this, see how kind of like there's like an imbalance that we need to fill here.
It's clean traffic. The only thing that scares me is that wick right there. You get what I'm saying? Like maybe that's support level at a little bit higher.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, no, not that. Yeah, right there, like right at the bottom of it. Yeah, right at the bottom of it, like closer support level. You know what I'm saying? Like, because even though there's clean traffic, there's still some rejection right there. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
And then go down. We can go down in the smaller top. But mark that though. Mark that for me real quick. It don't really necessarily mean anything. Just mark it. Go back.
On the daily.
Yeah. And
so
then mark
like
that.
This area here.
Yeah. Just with a line. You know what I'm saying? Like
oh yeah. I got what you mean. So like right here.
Right in that wick, yeah, and then go down to the small top. I just want to see something.
So basically right here.
See how close that is? So that's the only thing, even though I overall bearish, that's the only thing that's like scares me with like, this area right here, because I feel like there could be some buying pressure in this area. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, so now if this area here bothers you, then what I would do is that I would wait for a bearish candle to close below this area here. Right? And then break and retest this area here. Because that's most likely what's going to happen, right? If we're bearish. Now, if we're bullish, then we could potentially fake out this area over here and come over here, but then close over here, right? And you don't want to get stuck in that. So that's kind of what I see. But yeah. But now look at GJ. GJ kind of looks nice, bro. Oh, but now we closed. Now we closed right now on the 30. Potentially could be a gambler candle setup right here for the buys. Well, we gotta wait. I low-key rather take the EJ setup that I was explaining here. You see now, in a way we didn't engulf this candle, but we still kind of look bearish. Right now, what I would wait for is for a candle, for a top wick that's around 20 pips, right? So if this candle over here comes up right here, at least 18 pips or over here, and then flips, that would be super nice for the sells for Euro JPY. But let's see. See what's going on. What do you see, JP?
I'm trying to get my e-juice into my vape. Bro, what's GJ and EJ gonna do? You think it's just gonna reject that area? Look, stop loss at the 161. Now it's just going without us.
It kind of looks like the opposite now, because you see here we had like weak bullish candles and then nice bearish candles. You guys see that? Weak bullish candles and then nice bearish candle. Right now we have a nice bullish candle and then a weak bearish. So, but now we start coming around this area over here, and then we start coming down. We could start coming down for sure. But definitely if we flip and we come back over here to this area, I'd be looking for some buys. But it does look like it kind of wants to come down here.
Oh
Stop
shit!
Pretty nice up there.
Yo, I'm such a retard.
That's DU.
I know it's early in the morning when I start to not when I do some silly things without thinking. The hell? snap. You gonna get in?
No, I'm just looking at how it looks like. But it looks valid, bro.
I do see it being, I do see it potentially being valid just because we've been ranging. We could tap that bottom of the range, but I just
I think it's valid.
Oop.
And I think EJ looks valid for this same play too. If we start coming down here, but I kind of like it better on.
What I don't like about EJ is this right here.
On EJ?
Yeah, dude, I think we're gonna miss like GJ entry, but it's okay. This right here. I don't like how we're respecting this.
That's for EJ.
Yeah. And GJ.
Let's see, it looks nice, bro. It looks super nice. But there, if you go in my chart, I have an SMA right there.
Right here?
Right there, yeah. I have an SMA right here.
Which one? Which SMA do you use again? The smooth or the simple?
The smooth moving averages. I have a 50 SMA there. So now we start flipping bullish. It's basically what I said. It would be nice. But I don't know. I like the sells because we're bearish overall. You feel me? But I think here at this moment we have to be a little patient.
Oh, dollar just called EJ sells.
Oh, look, you see? Because it's basically a fake out breakout setup. He called the stop. He called the sell stop.
I like
basically.
I like these GJ sells. I think your stop loss is pretty clean, bro.
Let's see. I'm gonna be a little more patient here. If there's a rejection right now to this area,
I think I'm gonna get in on these sells, brother, and just have my stop loss right here.
20 pips.
25, yeah, 25 pips just in case.
What I'll be waiting for right now is like at least like a 10 pip rejection. We reject 10 pips and then now when we come back to that entry, I'll be in. I want to reject a little bit.
Yeah. Let's get the 4 hour real quick. Oh.
EJ faked out buyers and then went right back into the range. So I understand why dollar would be taking some sells here.
Me put not in so the chat knows that we're not in.
You see, so there now. I'll let you guys know when I'm in for GJ. I'm waiting for this to reject a little bit more and then come right back to my entry.
Sheesh.
And if we start holding this level for a little longer, then most likely I'll get in. Okay, so there now we're rejecting a little nice. Bro, Emmett just blew his account.
No way.
Oh, look at the YouTube chat. Come on, Emmett. Rookie mistake,
Wait,
brother.
Emmett is on the YouTube chat?
Yeah.
Sheesh, what up, Emmett?
See how we're rejecting here now on this area here? We rejected. See, it's been 8 pips, 9 pips. Now let's see, now if we're back at entry, then I'm looking to get in. I honestly don't really have a bias either, because the buys also look nice too, and it all matters what it tells you, what the market tells you, right? If we start now, if this GJ candle starts flipping bullish, then the scenario that I was making before, where there was a bullish candle close and then a bearish candle, and then now a bullish candle making it a gambler candle, that scenario is also very clean. Okay? And now we rejected so much on this entry that if I was in on these sells, I'd be shitting bricks. And every time I'm shitting bricks on an entry, most of the time I get stopped out. So maybe we could break those highs, right? Where stop loss would be for the sellers. Is dollar in, or did he sell?
No.
Like, did he take some stops?
He's not in.
Oh, he's not in? Oh, okay. Shout out to the 67 people that we have on. Thank you guys for being here. This is now officially our second New York live stream. We won yesterday, first trade. Hopefully today we could get another dub, so it could be 2-0. But let's see what the market gives us. Kind of does look a little better than yesterday though. Yesterday was super rangy, bro. I don't know about you, JP, but dude, I thought that shit was so fucking rangy. We ended up still catching a dub.
Yesterday?
Yeah, New York session.
Gold's gonna tap, reject that area. Let's see what it wants to do. Oh, dollars sell stops were triggered, by the way.
There we go.
So, Let's put it here for those that are in. What's his entry? His entry is 141,550.
Now we're coming right back to this entry here on EJ.
Stop 141 750.
What's the GJ gonna do? Oh, GJ, what are you gonna do, brother? Those EG cells are super clean, bro. Super clean. It make a lot of sense because if you notice here on the 1 hour, this 1 hour was this 1 hour candle was super fucking weak. And now this is probably gonna happen where there's a weak bullish candle and then a super strong bearish candle, right? Probably to come right back down to the support.
I think he's gonna win this trade.
Morning, everybody.
Wait, Eric, you and Emmett are starting Asian session streams? That's gonna be fire. Or are you guys joking? Hey, what's up, OG?
What's good, brother?
What's up, guys?
How's your morning been so far? You just woke up or you been up?
Yeah, just woke up. Saw you guys doing this.
Nice.
New York session, so.
Let's get it. Well, you're right in on time. We haven't executed any trade yet. Dr. in sales, EJ. But we're just waiting. I'm waiting for gold, really. I really want the gold cells to play off, man. But let's see. We're at this top of my range 1, so want to be careful here, taking cells.
Yeah, bro, I like these GJ buys. I actually really like these buys. I might even execute. I see a gambler candle setup right now.
What do you like the? Oh look, good thing we didn't get in. Patience pays, brother.
Yeah. And now what I said is happening right now. So I think it's valid for me to take buys. I like it at this price though, because you see, I would have a 20 pip stop loss right under this wick right now. So getting in right now would be valid.
What? Right here at the bottom of the wick would be your stop loss?
Yep. Alright, I'm in now.
You're in?
I just got in at 473.
Oh, nice. He's gonna fucking kill it. You're gonna kill it, brother. What's your entry?
473.
Make sure you send it to the chat real quick.
Yeah, I sent it. I sent it to my chat.
Copy and paste it. What's your take profit?
last 1041. 674. Look, I'm already
And
up like 2 pips.
and your stop?
272.
Daniel just called GJ buys too.
Oh shit.
He's still up at this time?
Big brains think alike.
Yeah, he called it in at 161.50.
I like these buys, hello. Cause if you guys notice, hold on, I'll show it to you. I'm sending everything to the chat, boys. Okay. Nah, I really like my stops down there too. Like, so go down to the 30-minute, JP.
Go down to 30-minute?
Yeah. Alright, so if you guys notice, go a little more to the left too, so I can show previous price action. But also where like my entry is. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so if you guys notice over here, wait, is it marked up?
Here, take
If
over.
you guys notice, the previous time where we hit that resistance, it was what I was saying before. There was super weak bullish momentum every time we would hit the resistance, right? So over there, you notice that there's weak bullish momentum, right? And then whenever it would hit it, there would be a super bearish candle, right? That happened every time we hit it. Now over here, we have a bullish movement, right? When last time we hit it, we had a bullish candle that hit it, right? And it stayed right above.
Jesus, go, brother.
Then the second candle was a weak bearish candle, so it was basically doing the opposite than the other times, than the previous times we hit that resistance, right? So once I saw that it faked out the sellers. Remember when we were talking about getting in on sells? It faked those people out, right? It was looking bad, so that gave me indications that right now they're getting stopped out right now. So there is more possibilities for those guys to get stopped out than for me to get stopped out, right? So that's why I entered at the correct moment, right, where I had my stops exactly 20 pips under that candle. I think there would be more possibilities for it to go up 20 pips than to go down 20 pips. So I ended up executing there. But yeah, boys, let's see what happens right now. We were currently up, how much? We were up 14 pips. I'll let you know when I put my stops break in. Damn, if I win this trade right now, it'll be like my 7th trade in a row that I won. I've won for a while now, but I don't want to call anything before.
Put a 1 in the chat if you're in this trade.
Yo no pude, eso pasó muy rápido.
Estaba rápido, yeah,
Sí,
bro.
right.
I feel you. But it was just something that I just saw out of nowhere. And most of my trades are like that, bro. I just see it and I execute.
Sí, man. No, tiene todo sentido.
Yeah.
Straight shooter. Yeah, you're gonna hit the P's. Let's go.
Alright, I'll tell you what my TP2 is at. TP2 is at 161,872.
161,872.
Yeah, that's my TP2. I'll definitely be getting out there fully. And I'll definitely hold like a 1 pip runner. But I'll be getting most out of my trade at TP2. Because I think we could potentially go up there. now that we broke again. Now that we're trading above this range again.
Yeah, I don't know if this trend line is valid or not, but
I took my trade on the 30-minute. That 15-minute looks so ugly.
yeah, 30-minute looks more in your favor.
Hell yeah. Gotta be patient here, boys.
You boys are ghosts.
Hey,
Hey, still get off this call. Yeah, bro.
dale, Brody.
Hello, brother. Alright, at this moment here, if we break this high right now on the 30-minute, I'll definitely be putting myself to break even.
Steps to break even. That's my favorite thing in the world.
Yeah, bring stops to break even.
Nothing like them free trades.
Yeah.
Oh, pick up some volume. Bro, if you don't hit TP within this candle, I think you're gonna hit it now. 2, 1, blast off.
You just need some volume, bro.
3, 2,
Those are the right there, boys. Now that we broke that high.
So a te pedo, un segundo.
1, 1. Bro, come on.
Cuando abre el mercado de peso ahora.
Bro, ¿qué es esto?
When shit like that happens, bro, I just close a little bit there so it doesn't feel like I lost. You feel me? Because now we broke the high there and then people are getting out. So we have to. But I'm pretty sure we're going to get enough volume for it to even go to TP2. Because now we're trading above the range again.
This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. Take profit smash. Yo, are we 2 for 2 on New York session live stream?
There we go.
Yo,
Remember to put it stops to break even.
Stops to break even, boys.
And then just hold to TP2. I'll definitely be getting out most of TP2.
Look at that, shooting up like a rocket ship.
JP, you gotta make
I'll be holding it right now.
regular.
Huh?
New York session. It's gotta be a regular.
Yeah, for sure. We're doing it Monday through Friday. Every day.
Bro, every day we're gonna be on here like,
That's amazing.
yeah. You know, like even if we don't trade, like I'm just down. We like looking at the markets with you guys, so we don't have to trade every day. There's gonna be days where we probably won't be able to catch something. Luckily, our analysis has been playing out lately, but we'll be here every day, Brody. And for those that hit take profit and you guys want to leave, we're gonna stay. I mean, are you gonna stay? I'm gonna stay for like another hour or so. So like, just seeing how the market plays out. I low key wanna like, just whether I'm in a trade or not, I want to look at how New York plays out and sort of start getting used to it. Especially when market opens and when London is closing. So we'll be looking at other pairs just in case, Probably won't trade, but we'll definitely be on here. Put a W's in the chat, by the way, if you took the trade.
That was a straight night.
That was a nice trade, bro.
That was pretty good, yeah.
We saw, I think, 1 pip, 2 pips in drawdown, if any.
Facts.
And bro, good patience, Snipes.
pretty confident in the trade, bro, because having stops down there, bro, there shouldn't really be a reason to go down there again. So,
Look, this is
sometimes you have to
why.
get in a little earlier.
This is why, guys, you cannot have a bias. Earlier, you guys saw me looking at potential GBP JPY sells, right? It's good to have a team, good to listen to others, right? Because if I would have stuck true to my bias, if I would have had an ego, and if I would have listened to him, I would have gone stop loss. That's why it's good to be patient. You know, if you have a team, listen to your team. Don't have an ego, don't have a bias. Be open to both buys and sells. And that trade was a fucking banger trade. Again, Snipes doing what he normally does.
Bro, if you guys doing my 7 move right now, I'm up like 7, 8 trades in a row, bro. This is a pretty good streak. But I have these streaks often. This is a pretty big streak. It's been a pretty good week for me. I want to see if we get TV2. I feel like now that we're trading above this range, now that we're trading above, we could potentially, hold on, I'm gonna control the screen real quick.
Dale.
I feel like we could definitely start coming around to this level over here. At least over here, bro. Where we had all these reactions. Which would be around our TV2 level. So that's basically what I'm waiting for. Now that we closed above, look, you see now, we closed back into this range, right? If it comes down here and it rejects, now this resistance turns into a support. So then it will give us more confirmations that we would trade now on top of to this resistance over here, which would be where our TP2 is. But I mean, I don't really mind if we come back to my break even because I just made a good amount of money.
Trying to go out and eat right now?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I just wanted
No,
to
I
waste some.
actually do. I
Wanted to waste some profit, man. We'll go after, if anything, like at 9:30.
I want to get like some empanadas or some shit. Something. You know Gracianos? Bro, I love those empanadas, bro.
I've never had Graciano's empanadas, bro. You like them more than the Nahuen empanadas?
Dude, I think they're the same. They're the same type of empanadas because they're Argentinian. The thing is that it's right next to my house, so I just go. You get me?
Facts.
They're so good too. They're a little expensive, but they're so worth it, bro.
How much are they?
They're like $3 for empanada, which is not even that bad, but but when you buy 4 or 5, like it adds up. But it's worth it, bro. It's so worth it.
Bro, what a nice trade, Snipes.
Yeah, there. Now look, now we're flipping. Look, there we go. So it's I was in before you called it. My entry. Oh shit, 364. You were basically in. What a fucking G.
Who?
Good shit, brother. Junior Trades.
Oh, Junior Trades is a beast. What up, brother?
He got in. He got in. Right after fake bell sellers. Good shit. That level is sus for me. No, I think we could come up 40 pips from this move right now. Look at the rejection at 750. Yeah, there was nice rejection, but there it was because there's always a bunch of rejection points in the market, right? There's here, if you notice, there's a rejection point over here. But I think this move here could go up 40 pips. So I think this rejection level here is a little more valid. And well, if it doesn't go up, then this was the valid rejection level. So then what we do after when we come in the markets tomorrow is that we draw it up, right?
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Let's get it, let's get it.
Shit, I'm always on the computer. I'm on the New York stream.
Did you catch any trades from New York?
Hey, so the app is yours. I tried to send a proposal, won't let me. It stating that the proposal must be signed before proceed.
Cool. All right, I'll call him here in a bit. I'm coming into the office to turn on things soon.
Yo, if price decides to break that previous candle high, I think you should hit TP2s, Brody.
Yeah, for sure.
Come and test that area of resistance and possibly come back down for a little retest to continue to go.
JPY going to 150, 155. Yeah, hopefully we are bearish, bro, honestly. I think we'll be better when we're bearish. But I want to hit TV2 first.
Check gold. I'll check gold. Gold was probably at the same area testing that area of resistance at the top of range 1. Yep, it's just doing nothing pretty much. And guys, remember I think earlier when we hopped on the live stream, gold was right around here. You know, I'm not that type of trader that just range trade from bottom of the range, top of the range. Yeah, I'll do it sometimes, but if I have multiple confluences in my favor. But that's just not the type of entry I was looking for today. You know.
And we also have like super weak bullish candles going up. Just cause like we're bearish overall on gold. Alright, so I'd be patient here, taking any buys inside the range.
Facts.
We close above outside of that range, then it would be more valid because now we're breaking market structure.
What do you think about EJ now?
Yo, you call me?
EJ?
Yeah.
EJ.
Oh, thank you, Brody. How are you doing in your trade?
Okay. Let's see what happens with EJ. So now if you notice, EJ and DJ are basically correlating right now. So, his dollar's still in his trade, right?
Yeah, he hasn't said anything else.
Okay. I don't know. Maybe this trade could be. Maybe we could both win our trades today. Cause now if you notice here on EJ, we basically faked out buyers here and then came here and then came back into the range, right? GJ didn't really do that. GJ broke outside of the range.
Yeah, that's facts.
So maybe this could come down. You feel me? And maybe GJ could also come down.
Yeah.
Right now and come back into the other range. So I don't know. Maybe let's see.
Take out that trend line.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so many touches, bro. I personally see that as liquidity.
Liquidity. I see it as liquidity too.
Yep.
I see because now there's more liquidity now to the downside than to the upside. The only liquidity we have is this area here. That could happen. But something that could happen also, which we could take out this liquidity and then come down.
Facts.
That could happen, but there's a lot of possibilities for this to come down to the bottom of my range.
Facts. Hell yeah. Appreciate you.
Definitely. I think it's valid. You're in this trade, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just hold it.
Yeah.
If you should, I mean, no, I would hold it to stop loss or to take profit.
Yeah, of course.
That's pretty much it. Let me see what's going on now with gold. You see, so now we tapped over here, and then now we're basically trading the range. I don't really trade that much gold, so I don't know. But what I would wait for is this candle to flip now and then come over here, and then let me see. And then if you guys also like trading the range, then maybe you guys could basically play this shit, but I wouldn't do that at all, in my opinion. But it has been playing out, so I wouldn't really trade the range like that.
Everybody knows that, but we'll go back to the action.
So what's going on here? So yeah, here it basically kind of wants to come down to this area over here and either break down below it or just retest it. I think we might be bullish here on GJ. EJ. Let's see what happens here.
Emma, you still there or you on the phone
I want to
still?
see Euro USD, but I was think so. Euro USD basically kind of did the same thing as GJ.
What's up, bro?
I wasn't sure if you were still on the phone or not.
What?
I wasn't sure if you were still on the phone or not.
I'm just chilling, good sir.
Wait, so you're gonna be doing Asian session live streams now?
No.
Damn, you got me excited, you asshole.
I wouldn't do that like that.
Now you gotta do that, man.
Now you gotta do it.
Me and Eric don't even trade it like that. We fucking very intense for both of us. It's alright.
I didn't think of that. I don't know. I thought you guys ended up realizing you guys traded like you guys wanted to trade together. Because it was very random when you said it in the YouTube chat. And you know, whatever's on the internet is true, right?
Exactly, bro.
What's your morning looking like over there, brother?
I'm just chilling, man. Waiting to see what I'm gonna do for the day.
So we might come here down to my break even and then potentially start coming up too. Maybe we bounce from this area here too. Because remember what I said.
There's a lot of reaction and now we're trading above it, which is good, clean confirmations for buys.
Now this resistance turned into a support officially right now. Now that we're rejecting it. You guys see that? So in there now, we start flipping bullish, we could start fucking flying. Like there could be a lot of possibilities to fly.
How many pips did we see?
So almost 30.
How many pips you got? A lot.
How many pips do you got? That's 21 Savage?
Mm-hmm. You know what I've noticed since watching you guys stream?
What's up, brother?
I pay way too much attention to the chat.
Dude.
I'm the opposite, bro.
Dude, I read all of them. Zoom, YouTube, all eyes of y'all motherfuckers have it too.
What do you mean I'm too high, Eric?
Yeah, see, that's why you just don't even worry about
Dude,
it.
oh my god, I just caught myself. I'm like, yeah, no, I don't know. And then I'm next thing you know, I'm looking at the YouTube chat unconsciously. Eric, can you please not tell my mommy that I'm vaping and on YouTube Live? I think that's why he's saying that, because he sees me vaping this. This is CBD, by the way.
See, check it out.
What's up, boys? Is anybody looking at anything? Anything you guys want us to look at? Anything you guys want us to, any opinions you guys have? Maybe.
I got in on some US 30 sales at 29,236.
Oh, so you're eating right now. Oh, that was nice. So whatever what it's happening now, I was kind of looking for that up here, but I didn't see it happening really. I wasn't, because I saw it happening more down below here. But good execution, brother. What's your take profit?
Lower low. On the 1 hour.
Right around here. Yeah, I see. So right around here.
Yeah.
Bro, I think if we break this, I mean, for TP1, right? Then the TP2 is probably over here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'm pretty bearish on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frames on US 30.
Dow just been shitting the bed, bro. It's been crazy.
Yo, JP, I want to ask you that question too, bro. Does weed affect your decision making?
No.
Okay.
Like,
okay.
Like, if I smoke too much, yes, right? But I'm not gonna get here and get stoned when looking at the charts.
Of course not.
Yeah, leave that for me.
No, I'm not gonna lie, Eric. Bro. Eric is just somebody who I have in the back of my head subconsciously speaking to me every time I'm about to make something, a decision, Like, if I want to go to Chick-fil-A line and eat a sandwich, I'm there like, do I really want that? And Eric is like, bro, you want a salad, you fat ass. Eat the salad. Stop being this, that, like. So, it's funny that you mentioned that, Eric, and what I'm trying to get to is yesterday for when I woke up, I was supposed to smoke at night with my brother, right? But it was already like 1:30 in the morning, so I was like, you know what, it's too late. I don't want to smoke anymore. I want to go to sleep early and wake up early, and then if anything, I smoke in the morning. I wake up in the morning, I go outside wanting to smoke. I look at the time, I'm like, you know what, I don't even have time to do that. Like, I don't want to smoke anymore. I'll set out if I caught a dub or if it was a successful stream, I'll smoke after. I didn't end up smoking after. So it's like, I feel like I'm getting better with those weed sessions, throughout my day. And you're part of that, Eric, so I want to thank you. I knew we'd be best pals eventually.
Going on here with my entry. Let's see. Yeah, so we're still here.
Bro.
The gamma count is completing.
¿Es válido traerla en 5 minutos?
That would be clean. I mean, we got another gambler candle.
If we can get a 30-minute gamma candle, I will participate these guys.
That shit will blow. So nut if we get another gambler candle. Cause look, we got one here, and it fucking nutted. We got one here, and it kind of nutted. But if we get another one, I think it'll nut even more.
Yeah, I only take gammas at the break of highs. So this be fucking clean as shit.
At the break of the highs? Yeah. I low-key, I took it here, bro, because I would only take it if I had my stops right here. So I think
because the momentum you had behind your push, though.
Exactly,
and
bro.
what you guys didn't see on this trade is we have a higher time frame trend line that we've tapped 4 times. We broke above and then retested it, and then continued higher, and then you hopped in as soon as we retested it.
No way.
What higher time frame?
It's such a nice trade.
You're talking about the weekly or the daily?
What's that?
You're talking about the 4-hour daily or
Well, not higher time frame, 30 minutes.
I don't know, but look at this daily on GJ. It's at a daily area of support too, or rejected that daily area of support to come back and.
I don't have buys above and sells below for you guys. This isn't my trade. None of them are.
Nah, what do you mean?
I have them here. What do you mean?
They're all yours. Right?
Dude, your charts are fucking clean, bro.
Who's
I like
Snipes?
how it take lines and shit.
I'm just saying because it's got a wet background with mine. Alright, 15-minute gamma candles completing. I really want it to be 30 minutes, but it's not gonna happen.
On GJ?
Oh, that's pretty far on the 15-minute. I like that. So now that's resistance turned into a support. Now there's another gambler candle on the 15. Basically the same thing happened. Then now, because here now we faked out the sellers again, right? We always fake out sellers before flying, and then we always fake out buyers before melting. Not always, but most of the time, if you guys notice.
Would you guys take this trade or would you guys wait for
If I have
it would be right this second and just
yeah, it would be right now. But I already took a trade, so I don't even, my psychology is right enough to even do that. But if I didn't take a trade, then depends how big is my stops there.
I mean,
it's a 20 pip stop right there. Stops below previous candle up.
Oh yeah, so it's like basically perfect.
Again, I just want that 30-minute gamma to participate, guys. So
yeah,
chill. 5-minute looks so clean as a break already tested that newfound support. But again, this is trading off of a 15-minute zone for me, so like, I'm not gonna pull the trigger that quick.
Oh yeah, it is like a breaking, yeah.
If we can solidify the support over the next 8 minutes.
If this 5-minute closes, nice and bullish, then yeah.
Let me see something there in that 5-minute. Go down.
Oh shit, damn! I just went to 15.
There, you're good.
There, look.
Go down a little. Like zoom out, pinch out.
Like this?
No, pinch out.
Oh, this one. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this?
Keep going a little bit down.
More down?
Oh no, I got it. I forgot that
You forgot it was your screen?
Yeah.
Patience pays.
What's good, Dior Kev? Dior Kev I used to be in the same academy as him.
Patience
Dude,
does
we got
pay.
some pride challenge in the chat.
Prime challenge?
Pride challenge.
Whoa.
Challenging here.
What up, Kev?
I'm gonna look you up too, Kev.
Oh, I think he's just trolling the chat.
Bro, Kev is a sniper in the chat. I wouldn't fuck with him.
Facts.
Oh, Kev is from New York. Gotta be. He's followed by JJ Zaps and Mr. Banks. You from New York, bro?
Nah, Diorquez from here, from Miami.
Oh shit.
I used to trade with him like in person.
Damn, bro has a dope profile. Cool.
He's very consistent, bro. Super consistent. I have nothing bad to say about him.
Dior. Kev, aren't you sometimes do you trade London too? I think I've seen you in the London. Haven't I?
Yeah, he shows up for London.
Yeah, he shows up for London. What, do you just wait it out or do you go to sleep and then wake up?
Bro, watch dollar smack this trade. I'm rooting for him. I'm unfortunately very bullish. I'm rooting for him.
Tiempo.
Dímelo.
¿Qué crees de una venta en el oro? En 5 minutos.
Gold 5-minute time frames. Let's see.
Yeah.
I don't really trade 5-minute time frames, to be honest. I'm rarely ever on 5-minute or the 1-minute. I'll only be in the 5-minute if I'm already in a position, or if I feel like I can get a more precise entry. I'll try to go to look at the 5-minute, coming off of the 15-minute, right?
Yeah.
So, but 5-minute. What do I think about gold? I don't know. Either way, I wouldn't look at. We could potentially sell off over here, tap this range, continue to range through, or we could just come down into range 2. So we gotta be careful executing. That's why I am not looking forward to execute at all. Not now, not not in 20 minutes or 30. Now, if price starts to break out above and we can trade above it, then I'll start looking for entries, right?
Yeah,
but
right.
the more patient that I am, better yet said, the more patient that I am on this trade, the closer I'm realizing that we're getting to news. So maybe I end up waiting for the news to play out because I don't want to be on the wrong side of the news. Remember, just because news could be bullish.
Shit, I knew.
Yeah, there's news at 12. So just because news could be bullish, it could still go wrong against us and be bearish, and vice versa as well. So, but I mean,
Okay, Dre.
you entered?
Yeah.
Yo, I think you're gonna do good, bro. To be honest with you, you should. What's your take profit?
Oh, no.
You're in the sales?
Yeah.
For what? For gold?
Gold, yeah.
Oh, shit.
I think he should be good. We'll probably tap this bottom part of the range, you know. I just don't like executing those trades because I'd rather catch the bigger move, right? So I'm always looking at 1 hour, 4 hour.
Yeah, I know you're waiting for 4 hour
support and resistance. Once we start to break market structure, looking for, to take the trades. But right now we're just ranging on the higher time frames. Shorter time frames, yeah, you can. Shorter time frames, you can catch 10 pips. I said it earlier in the beginning of the live stream. Just because we're in a range doesn't mean that there's no pips to be caught. We're like there's a lot of pips you can catch here. It's like 60, 70 pips plus that you can catch just from this top part of the range to this part. So
I feel like I'm the same, bro. I like taking those entries on a bigger time frame. But bro, everyone has their own strategy. Look, go to EJ. Go to EJ. Look at Dollar's trade. He was so close to hitting stop loss.
oh, what ended up? He's still in this trade?
He was so close to stop loss.
Damn, dude, this is a celery entry. If he breaks lows.
See, my trade got hit break even. I hit my TP1 and then it went back to break even. But which is fire because now Dollar has a possibility of winning too.
Yeah, and that 30-minute close back in the range, so I'm not looking for buys here. Break up.
Yeah, basically, yeah. But the reason why we went up was because we had so much momentum at that price where I got in that like so much people wanted to get in. But now that we're back into the range, it indicates that we're still bearish. We still want to hold that bearish market structure.
Dollar said that if anybody's on EJ to close half since we won on GJ buys. Anybody that's in the chat and is not looking at the phone.
Yeah, he's right at entry right now. Smart man. As soon as he does it, bounce.
That shit always seems to happen, man. Close half or you close and then it goes into your direction. That's why you just, I don't know. I feel like
marry your trade. When you're in it, not before. When you're in it, marry that bitch.
I just hold my shit. But closing half you could be bad because now that we already won once, you want to be profitable on the day, right? So right now, if we lose this trade, we'll still be up. So it would make sense to close half here.
This is what the regression trend channel looks like.
That's what it's called, regression trend?
Yeah, look, watch. It's pretty clean. I like using it. Regression trend.
What's up, bro? Are you slanging funny challenges from a black still?
Let's see.
This lady hit me up. I'm gonna send them to you.
Pretty fire, right?
I don't know. I didn't ask her yet. I just said, "Do you want me to manual trade or bot?" She said bot. I'm like, all right. dollar shit.
Oh shit. Reanalyze GJ. You want to reanalyze GJ Snipes?
Yeah, of course. Where did that question come through? Oh,
Zoom. Yeah.
oh yeah, I don't really read the. Sorry, but
I'll read the Zoom messages. My bad, guys. So I've been looking at the YouTube chat.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll have my Zoom chat here. So if you guys want to ask anything to Zoom or through YouTube, I'll be looking at both. Okay. You're a nice GJ. All right. So now what's going on with GJ? All right. Let's zoom out of everything that's going on right now. So look, if you guys notice here, it's basically doing the same thing as EJ, right? We've had this bullish momentum now for. Hold up, let me go on a bigger time frame. Right, so the 15-minute. If you guys notice here, we've been bullish for a little bit now, right? Since 6 in the morning, we've been pretty bullish, right? Coming up now, and here, if you guys notice, we broke above, right? We closed above, but then what happened was that we came down here and then we came back into the range, indicating that this is a fake out breakout set, right? So now that's why we're getting so much bearish momentum now, right? Now there's possibilities for this price right now to come down to this resistance, right? Because that's usually what it does, right? We fake out and then we come right back down to the bottom of our range, like over here, like over here, right? So that could be happening right now, right? And that's pretty much it now. Bigger time frames. Bigger time frames here. I'm noticing that there is a strong rejection over here at this area here at 160. Right? Where was it? This was 160 400 level. Right? There is a big rejection over here on this bigger time frame support. And also it faked out right here, faked out some sellers, I mean. Right, so now we fake out sellers on a bigger time frame. That means that we can now potentially be bullish for a while now, right? So here, our last candle, if you guys notice here, was a bullish candle, right? What could be happening right now is that we could be creating a big wick right now, usually like something like this or something like this. We could be creating a wick now to keep on coming up, right? So I think that's what's going on right now for GJ. Overall, I think we might be shifting into a bullish momentum now that we broke these highs over here and we faked out sellers over here. That's what I see for GJ. What do you think, JP?
I'm just waiting for gold, patiently waiting.
You think this could come to the bottom of the range, or you think we're gonna reject over here in this trend line?
That's what I was seeing when you were explaining your trade. So if the trend line is valid, right now it was valid for the buys, right? Because it broke out of that trend line. Now we're retesting to possibly continue to fly up to TP2. So let's see, it's also an area where there is some reaction, as you can see here, right? If we look to the left, all this reaction, and it's followed by more reaction to the left. So it could be a valid trend line. That's what I'm looking at. But let's just wait and see.
Yo, JP, move the cameras to the left so it looks good on the YouTube. You know what I mean? Like fix it on the OBS.
Oh, I already tried that.
Oh,
Trust.
it didn't work?
No. Like you mean, like yeah, I.
Like you know your Zoom, like where we have all our faces.
Uh huh.
Like move it to the left of the screen. All the way to the left of the screen.
Is that if I do, it's gonna mess up the whole layout.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you need to just move it down. There you go. There, you did it.
Oh, I literally did it little by little.
Yeah, there you go. Alright. Let's go to Euro JPY because dollar is now back at entry.
You know when that top line playing? There's somebody's name pretty funny in the chat. Oh, he's in profit, isn't he?
Oh yeah, he's in profit actually.
Yeah, see, like once we start to hit this area right here, like right now, I'll put stops to break even if I were in this trade. Just because of this little channel that I have set here. But it's also a good TP area because it's like this area of support. So.
Hey guys, Dollar said he got it on break even.
Oh, he got out of break even.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I will ask questions on YouTube. You can ask questions on YouTube or on Zoom. I'll be looking at them both. Yeah, who's still holding this trade though on EJ? If you're still holding this shit, bro.
Yeah, if you're still holding, bro, I'd put stops to break even. Or you could secure some profits now and leave a runner stops to break even. It's not TP1, but I do see it hitting TP1 though.
Yeah,
TPs are pretty valid.
El pequeño se me gusta azul, bro.
Bro.
Oh look, to whoever, who was it that was in the gold 5-minute sales?
Yeah.
Look, you're back in profit.
Sí, ya sé. Ahora estoy pensando en quitarlo.
Bro, this trade is so annoying, bro. I get out of break even for this shit just to drop 10 fucking pips, bro.
Brother, you're still not sleeping?
No.
Go to sleep, man.
Bro, I'm thinking that if... I like TPs though, boys, but definitely stops to break even if you're still in this trade. It looks clean, but that 50 SMA on the 5-minute looks like it wants to hold. But if you look at the 15-minute and 4-hour, is the reason why I wanted to hold this trade. We made 4-hour highs, we're rejecting the 8 and the 50 on the 4-hour time frame. Rejecting that previous level of resistance as well, bro. Shit's fucking clean to drop, bro. But I'm out at break even. But I'm sure most... I don't know. Are you guys still in? I know somebody in the Zoom chat was in the trade. Is he still in here?
I don't know. I know somebody's in gold cells right now. That I know if that's the only person in a trade right now.
No, será yo creo que esto.
Oh, you got out at break even?
No, todavía.
No.
Pero no sé. Lo más seguro que salga, no sé. Si se revira barriga, si cierra.
so GJ here, it's basically retesting this trend line, JP.
Yeah, see? Pretty nice. Now, what it could happen, now, two things, there's multiple things that could happen, right? We could.
Stop at break even.
That what?
Did you guys? Oh, you guys got stopped out at break even?
No,
Yeah,
we what do you mean?
like,
We secured profits at TP1.
Like we won the trade and then it came to break
Yeah. Look, there's multiple things that could happen here, guys. So you want to be open to all the possibilities that could happen, right? We could just come and melt, of course, but if this trend line is valid, it'll reject how it's rejecting, and possibly that'll be the retest to come back and sort of range. Now, if we start to trade above this area of support and we start to break out of these previous candle highs, we could execute on buys because it would be valid. Or safer buys would be above 162, 161,950. That would be your safer buys right around here. Let me mark that up for you guys. Safe buys. Blue. Right? Your risky sells would be right around here. And then safer sells would be right around this area at 161, 200. Right around there. 161, 250. But we could also just come back down and trade below the range. If we're trading below the range, you know, anybody who's looking at buys right around here, take into consideration it could be risky buys, right? So we're gonna put that here for you guys. And then
thank God, bro. Thank God we
and then you got your risky sells right here. So thank God what?
Thank God it gave me an exit, bro. I really didn't fuck with that trade, but I took your guys' GJ buys.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but I got out like 15 pips like a pussy.
Well, takes
At
balls.
least you made money. Facts. At least you're a winner in the markets today, brother.
You can enter again for the same trade. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't. You know, I'd wait for a couple more confirmations.
It's because I was in. So look, somebody said the highlight blank. Yeah, but he acting like he caught buys when he didn't. Would have been on stream. He got off and did his own thing, calling EJ sells. Didn't see that GJ buy. The GJ buy set up completely different, which is why I took it. Just because GJ's buying does not mean EJ will buy.
Yeah.
Euro strength. Euro weakness is what I was thinking, not JPY weakness. So yeah, fuck off. That hotline blink guy, bro. The second I find out who you are, bro, you're out of my fucking chat too. By the way, because I could literally send you screenshots of my fucking account right now, and I'll show you GBP JPY buys plus 14 pips. I made like $600 on that shit, and then I got out at break even on EJ sells. So yeah, suck my cock. I'm up. You're probably down. That's why you're mad at me. But yeah. Good shit though, boys. You guys killed it.
Yeah. What up, Ashraf? Are you still in here?
Another day in the markets, bro. Dominic. See if I could reach to 10 trade winning streak. That would be pretty cool.
Somebody said earlier, like an hour ago, Yahia. What's up, Yahia? Sorry if I said your name wrong. How does someone trade Boom 1000? What is that?
Bro, those are like synthetic indices. I don't know, bro. They make shit up.
Boom 1000. Never heard of that.
I saw that once, bro. My friend was telling me about that shit, and I was looking at it, and I was like, bro, what the fuck? Like, how do people trade this shit?
Cedric, where are you from? It's 1 p.m. for you. Well, I guess now it's what, 3 p.m. You must be somewhere in Europe or something, or what?
I'll be right back, G.
Razorage, do y'all wait for 9:30 when lots of volume comes in? Brother, this is only our second day live streaming New York session. Before this, I was just only trading New York session, you know, on my own, just to dabble around with it. But not how I wouldn't trade it how I would be trading it now. And what do I mean by that? Like, I wouldn't be here in my setup, you know, focused just looking at the charts only. Like, you know, I would be distracted doing other things, and I would set buy stops, you know, sell stops, and see how it would go. But you can also get that volume in when the London New York crossover. Doesn't really have to be when New York market opens. Now there's some good push when New York market opens right now in like 11 minutes. So that's why I'm kind of down to keep trading, even if I don't trade, just stay on the charts for like 9:30, 10, you know, however long, just to see how it is. I want to start familiarizing myself with how the volume is with market open, when London is closing, you know, and sort of get used to it, because we're gonna be here every day, Monday through Friday, you know, live streaming New York session. So it will only be better over time, you know.
Yo, let's do a giveaway because I promised them a giveaway. So we're gonna do
nice.
Out of the 41 people in here, they're gonna be able to get 10. Let's do 5 VIP giveaways.
5 VIP giveaways? You're feeling generous today.
From We Are, it's our chat.
But I know 5. That's a lot. I'm down. I'm down. You caught me by surprise there.
So everybody spam ones in the chat, and you guys will be able to get 1 month free in the VIP.
Sheesh.
One's in the chat. One's in the chat. One's in the chat.
Where's my mother?
You got upgraded to lifetime.
What?
Yeah, I sent you the link. Remember?
I'm going to celebrate, bruh.
Did you get it? Did you activate it?
I don't think so. I'm still in the same one that I was before.
You gotta activate it, sir, because if not, it expires. It's on your Telegram. All right, let's do Samim. Let's do Robin Whiskey. Let's do Julio. Let's do Zoe, and let's do Eric. Done deal. Love you guys. There'll be more. We'll do one every stream, so make sure you guys fucking come back. Support the boys, bro. My boy's trying to fucking teach you guys. So just DM John Paul Trades on Instagram. He'll make you guys a link.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, don't forget to follow them as well on Instagram, bro. They be active as fuck on that shit. Both of them. You are qualified, Eric. It's tough love around here. We love you, but we hate you at the same time. It's weird.
I don't hate him. I'm starting to like Eric.
He's a good guy, yeah. From what I saw yesterday, he's a nice guy.
Who won the giveaway?
We got Zoe, we got Julio, we got Samim, we got Robin Whiskey, and Eric.
Shit, brother. Yo, Eric won. Shit.
Eric actually won?
just picked them.
You
Bro.
should do Martine's here. You're the first one to put a 1 up, and they're always here.
We could do Martinsio too. But just because you guys are in the VIP doesn't mean that you can't have the fucking YouTube live open.
We like to hear from you guys still, yeah.
Hotline Bling, you can fuck off, bro. The second I find you in my fucking chat, you're out of my chat.
Did a Hotline Bling put a 1 on the chat?
That is such a cocksucker, bro.
I fuck with that.
Fucking with me. Ever since he fucking joined my VIP, he talks so much fucking shit. It's so annoying.
Damn, Eric, why you gotta call me out, bro? And you act, bro. I know.
Yeah. JP, you know how to make them a little access code, right?
No. You're gonna have to do that, brother.
No, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. That shit's annoying.
Alright, but teach me after the live stream, because I really don't want to be looking at anything else other than the charts.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna just send you a video of me doing it.
This guy, he doesn't let me get away with it. He knows me too well. Oh.
Hey, congratulations on getting that lifetime.
Thank you, brother.
It wasn't rigged at all.
Okay.
Oh, Martincio said he has lifetime, but he appreciates it 100.
We can give it to someone else. JP pick someone else.
Hotline Bling.
No, dude. Fuck no.
God said you gotta. God said you gotta love your enemies.
Dude, he's already in our chat.
Alright, I'm gonna scroll. I'm not even gonna look at it. Look, tell me, chat. Tell me when to stop. Look at my fingers. Tell me when to stop.
They don't see it. They
Oh,
see
wait.
hella delayed.
We didn't say stop yet, bro. What are you doing?
Alright, ready?
Damn,
Tell me when to stop.
Yo, don't forget to check out our blog. Did you guys fuck with the blog? I bet Emma hasn't even watched it yet.
I'm watching it right now.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now, bro.
Yo, you guys aren't gonna tell me when to stop? I'm just gonna keep scrolling?
They haven't said stop yet, bro. You have to do what the people want.
brother.
I don't even think I'm on the YouTube page. Am I? Nope.
Oh, anybody?
Guys, come on. You're making me
You're
work.
never gonna win if you don't say stop.
I don't think they want it.
They're putting ones instead of stop.
I'm going to get a workout.
Live
Stop
chat.
once, bro. Stop. Alright, he said stop.
Someone says
Stop, bro.
Yo, is that it feels so unfair? Like, it's just I'm looking at it. I've never done this before. I don't know how to do it. I don't know what's the right way to do it. Do I just like click on the first name I see, or is it like the first whatever my finger's on?
Whatever your finger's on.
All right.
The little finger.
All right, ready? The little finger you said?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be
This
hard.
guy.
I just had to click the profile.
Snowy days.
there we go. And he was the first one.
Snowy Day's the one who said stop.
He was the one
No
that
way.
I was about to say it.
That's crazy.
I asked for ones in the chat, snowy days, but 2.
Yeah, because I already have life on
Snowy Day's a part
Hey.
of the show, bro.
I think he's a menace. I think he deserves to be in.
I like that.
I already have life.
All right, fine.
In here.
All right, look. Abdullah Hafiz.
Yeah, he was the second one to say stop.
Yeah, I was low key.
You guys have to hurry up. Whoever can click this and activate this link right now will be able to join like right now. So
Oh, I get it.
Yo, since we're doing surprise giveaways, all of a sudden, surprise giveaway. We will be giving away $2,000 to the person who guesses of a number 1 through 5. All given away by Dr. Dollar. $2,000.
4. What?
Dollar, you owe him $4,000. He guessed correctly.
Ooh, give it
$4,000. That's it? I'm just kidding.
Hey, give me $4,000 if that's it, brother. I'll fucking use a lot. I'll do a lot with $4,000. I don't give a fuck how many pips I'm catching a day. $4,000 is $4,000, brother.
That's it?
I've been more frugal with my money ever since I started making a little more, you know?
Bro, that's how we're gonna get people into the stream. Say you're doing a $5,000 giveaway next Monday.
Guys, we're gonna put 5 links in the chat, and that's it.
And then on the day say that I won.
This is how we're gonna do every giveaway from now on. We're just gonna put a code here, and then whoever fucking. So this next link I'm selling will only activate 3 numbers, so that'll be it. So Eric, you gotta be on it. Eric, you ready?
You ready?
I'm ready.
He's so excited right now. Come on, brother. You don't need to do this, dude. Get in there, bro.
Alright, we got Alonzo Bullock in here.
Market opens in 1 minute, by the way, boys.
And we got Hoofy. Huang. And then we got Lucas. We got Julio. Sheesh. We got Daniel. Damn. That's it, boys. Damn, Eric, you fucking suck, man. Alright, Eric, I got you. Yo, what is that shit? Dude, that's not even funny.
That's Emmett.
Oh god, Emmett.
I can't even mute him because JP.
What did I do?
Yeah, you're fucking calling someone on the 80s phone.
Oh, you guys heard that phone?
Yeah.
You guys heard that?
Emmett had like a house phone.
Bro, I'm gonna just give Eric the fucking lifetime, bro. What do you guys think? Put it one in the chat.
I don't think he's gonna take it at this point. He would have done it. I don't even think he cares about it. It's kind of disrespectful, dude. Pissed.
Here, I'm gonna send you the links so you can send it to Eric, okay? I'm gonna just put him in the lifetime because that motherfucker. I can't believe he hasn't fucking got it yet, though.
Oh, hey, are you still in that gold trade, brother? Whoever.
No lo digas más, bro. Te voy a perder.
Coño, se va a comprar la moto con este trade.
Mira, take profit smash
Oh
para
my
ti.
god, TP smashed on fucking EJ, boys.
And oh my god, no way.
Oh, I forgot about EJ.
Well, almost.
Dude, we won almost. Bro, we won all trades. And then they go right back up.
TP won smash, damn, that's crazy.
Bro, cierra o no cierra.
¿Cerraste?
No, está ahí.
TP smash for my boy. ¿Cerraste o no?
No, todavía.
¿Vas a aguantar hasta abajo o hasta 1660? Mira el push, creo que ese era el push del market open.
Oh my god, it's coming back up.
Creo que ese era el volumen. Es que mira, no tiene una mecha. It doesn't have a top wick on top of that, so we gotta be careful with those candles. But just because it doesn't have a top wick doesn't mean it has to create a top wick. But be open to it forming a top wick. So you want to manage your trade correctly. Stops at break even, nice.
Sí.
Yeah, I think that's the most intelligent thing to do.
Sí, pero va a perderme.
Damn, that would suck.
Nah. Eso lo siempre le va a pasar.
But you know what you could do to start having less trades hit break even, start securing profits at TPs or near TPs and leave runners. You won't feel as bad because if your trade ends up going through and your analysis is right, at least you profited off of it. If your analysis is wrong, at least you secured profits and you got stopped out at break even losing nothing.
Ya, voy a tener que hacer eso. Diablo.
Oh shit, we're back down there.
Bro, ya nervioso.
You want obliterated, bro.
Oh, Eric was just giving people chances to win.
Nah, but we need Eric in here, bro. The man knows fundamentals.
Can I charge him for your signals half price?
Yeah.
I got perfect. Eric, his signals are 200, so I'll just do a 99 for you.
Sasim, DM Dr. Dollar.
No, Samim didn't win. He should have been quick enough.
Oh, he says.
That's actually fucked up, right?
Are you claiming people out of their victory dollar? Not in our chat dollar. It's unacceptable.
Eric, I'm gonna charge you 600. Take that 600 and give it to Zach to buy his talents like you wanted in the first place.
Eric, I'll charge you $600
No,
in 1
Eric
set.
needs to fucking be in my chat, bro. Is he really not want to join? Wow, what an asshole.
Oh, he already messaged me on Instagram. He's waiting for me to send the link.
Oh, I haven't sent it. I'm such a bad boy.
Such a bad boy.
I think you. Yo, stop it. Yo, what's going on here?
I sent it to you. I'm gonna send it to you on Telegram.
Yo, Emmett. Little sus there, brother.
Alright, that's Eric's link, Brody. I just sent it to you. On Telegram.
Eric, it has been sent to you in spam. Oh, wrong person. Fuck.
No way. You owe me $300.
Oh, shit.
We gotta give one to Samin too. Alright, JP. Give one to Samin, bro. I sent you a video. Damn, bro. Might as well fucking put the whole chat for free, right? We're going to sleep now, baby. Chill. Yeah, my girl's so annoying, guys.
Hey, we hopped off stream. I worked out last night. We're getting back to the grind.
Oh my god, I'm still recording. JP, I made the fucking... I made it so long.
Hey, Dollar, you want my cash app with Bitcoin for that 4K?
Got you with the winning trade, brother.
Yeah, I know.
That's how I pay my debt. Whenever I'm on the chat, I just be like, yo, join my chat.
I'm already in your chat, lifetime.
Shit, we're gonna create a new chat.
Oh, that's foul.
I'm just kidding. Yo, you know Lambro does that shit, right?
Yep.
Did you know that?
No, I don't really care, bro. I'm focused on New York session live stream.
Damn, man. That's fucked up.
Xavier was out by 0.00001 pips.
Damn, I can't believe Gold did that. Look, I guess he's gonna be creating the top wick right there.
Yo, JP.
Yo.
JP, I need you to type in the chat. Type in the YouTube chat so I can make you guys mod. Dr. Snipes and Emmett as well. Done. Snowy Days, you're in my VIP, right?
Damn, how do you do that? Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it.
Told you, bro, pay way too much attention to the chat, bro. I'm on that shit.
You are now a moderator.
Yo, I think your emoji's doing a little bump ski or something.
It's hitting the fucking... Wait, what's that called again? I forgot what that was called.
It's hitting the dab.
The dab. It's dabbing
It's
now.
doing a quick line, somebody said.
It's doing a line.
My boy Geek.
I need that weed that you smoke.
Why?
That shit hitting good.
Why? What do you mean? What are you trying to say?
Okay, later I'm done about.
Wait, you just wake up and smoke?
It's a dabber rant.
No, bro. I literally look.
Just be honest. Like, it's fine if you do that, you know?
I wanted to, but I don't have any, and I have like this battery. It's like a disposable, but I don't even keep it with me in my bed. I literally woke up. When I woke up to go get coffee, I ended up getting water and a tea. I saw that my battery was there on the counter, and I grabbed it. You know, I didn't even think about it when I woke up. I'm being honest.
Yeah, so rotate it on top quick.
You've been hitting that shit since starting the live. It's crazy.
I'm not gonna lie. I was waiting for you to say something. I'm there telling you that I don't think about this shit while hitting it. I hope you guys are consistent. Hey, iPhone. Trust me, brother. Me and Snipes are highly motivated right now, and we will be consistent. Like, we won't miss a single day. We've been going to sleep early. We kind of started getting our schedule used to this, you know, since from a week before. So, we will be here. We hope you guys can be consistent with us. So,
I look like this schedule, bro. I like waking up early like this. Now
It
I have the whole day.
feels so good.
I slept good. I'm gonna get some exercise.
Are we still having breakfast later?
I'm starving, bro. What should we get to eat?
Latin America, bro. Trust.
Yeah, Latin American is a nice wave.
Go there, dude.
I think I'm low-key down for some steak and eggs
Some
for breakfast. Nah, what is wrong with you, brother, bro? Yo, you're making money now. Like, enjoy. You deserve a nice, real steak that's been properly cooked.
Steak and eggs. So they reminded me when I used to eat in Denny's.
Nah, Denny's is like 5 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning type of vibe place, you know?
Yeah.
We have, ever since I put Dollar onto Latin America,
Dude, my boy put me on, bro. That shit is insane.
Oh, you actually did put me on.
No, but it wasn't, no, okay. I don't, have you ever been to the place that he's talking about?
Latin America? Yeah, it's by like Miami, but like FIU.
On the way. But
On
there's an actual.
I go there all the time.
But there's an actual Latin America called Latin America that's on Coral Way and 107th, right next to the fair. It's in.
Right next to the fair.
It's in Miami. Yeah, that's not the place we're talking about. So
you're talking about the other one. You're talking
the
about
smaller one. It's in front of the fire station. In front of the fire station.
Where I go.
That's the fire one.
But I call it Latin America for some
Yeah, I call it Latin America too. I don't know what it's called.
You guys gotta put not in.
On
the chart.
Oh, that's right.
You guys just
That's better. That's better.
By the way, boys, we were not in this trick.
Yeah.
It was just an idea.
Yo, Dr. Snipe, could you check out my chart and let me know what you think?
Yeah, what pair?
EJ. I literally think that's what's happening.
This is Eric, right? I remember your voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, he sounds like Sebastian.
Okay, EJ.
Sebastian Bianchini.
Oh shit.
Eric's in here.
Eric.
Yo, Dollar, you're making me feel special, bro.
Alright, Eric, well, you'll make us feel special when you get a webcam.
So what's going on right now is that we're rejecting this right here because a lot of people got out at this area over here. Right? So, but I think now we're bearish, right? We're only rejecting here. I don't think we're bullish anymore, honestly. Now that we broke these lows over here, we could be catching liquidity here, but I think now overall we are bearish, right?
Could you check out the chart I sent you on the chat, on Zoom?
Yeah, of course.
I literally think that's what's gonna happen.
Like, speak for yourself, Snipes.
Like 50%.
I'm bullish.
Hold up, let me see. I see it on my screen, but I don't think you guys can see it. Let me see.
See what Eric's working with.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the bigger time frame. Which that could also play out too.
Like, I've seen this play out so many times, like where we come down choppy, we go up, retest, and we just see a fat ass melt to the downside.
Yeah, that could be going on right now. We could do that at the moment that we start breaking. Hold on, let me see my chart because JP.
Oh, here, take over.
That 142 level, then yeah, that potentially could be happening. But right now, basically, we're like in the higher time frame range. But once we start breaking above the higher time frame range, then yeah, we could definitely do that. But for now, we gotta wait to see what happens.
And also, like, every time we have a CPI, it's just the market is very choppy. Like,
yeah,
all the pairs too, like GJ, gold. So I'm more just chilling, just vibing it out.
No, yeah.
Like, I just, like, I mean, just think about it too, like you guys obviously trade more like, scalping and shit. Like, I'm more, I like to swing it.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense,
Yeah.
But at the same time, like that's the reason why, like, when I be speaking in the chat, like, it's different. Like, when I see something, like, it has to set up exactly how I want it to set up, before I execute.
Yeah, because you trade the smart money, right?
No, I actually just trade like supply and demand, It's same support resistance.
Okay, yeah.
But I only like just mark areas where, like, we saw we had a strong reactions from the previous, like from the left side. And
yeah,
obviously, like, like I do add like the fundamental, on top of it, to confirm my bias to it. Because I mean, think about like what's happening right now. It's a lot of things happening in the world right now. Like we could possibly be, heading to a war right now. So it's pretty tough what's been happening, So.
Yeah, and overall, you've noticed we've been bearish, right? Because of everything that's going on, right? We're failing. On the bigger time frames. We're like on the daily and stuff. We're failing to break high and keep on flying. Right?
I agree.
On almost every pair.
And also, like, same thing with GJ, like on the higher time frame, like that 168 area. Man, how many times we came to that area and we just fucking melt?
Exactly. That's the area that I'm talking about. We haven't been able to break that shit, dude.
Yeah, for like 160 days.
Yeah, and that's because I feel like that's because everything that's going on right now in the world, right? Inflation, all this bullshit that's going on. But I feel like potentially we could start breaking those highs, bro, in the future when everything comes back to normal and stuff. Because at the end of the day, all this shit is bullish, right? But we have to.
And also, we sitting at an area where it's like we don't know if price wants to come down or if we want to go up.
We're basically we're basically in the middle. We're in the middle of all that. If you notice, right now we're literally in the middle of this whole daily range that we've been trading. Right now we're indecisive.
But also, like, it's pretty big range, like you can easily get like 20, 40 pips, 60 pips, 100 pips,
Yeah, for sure.
But damn, that bull run we had, do you see how like we dropped all the way down? If you look also at the weekly, we tapped like a major support area and we bounced out of. And the only reason that happened because the central bank of Japan, they basically were buying their currency, which obviously, it gained a lot of strength for the Japanese yen, which dropped. I mean, every Japanese yen melted at the same time, but
and then
as soon as they stop, we saw a strong reaction, like 500 pips bounce back up.
Yeah, that wasn't insane, bro. That was crazy. Like, that shit fucking came down. It looked like it was gonna melt, and then fucking ripped back up right into that fucking range, dude.
Yeah, we are gonna see that possibly happening, and I do do see it. I do see them doing that again. But the only issue is we need to see the CPI data like come at least like below 3%.
Yeah.
And then from there to confirm that, and also like the Fed Reserve here, they need to stop like slowing down on their rates hikes. So I mean, yeah.
I mean, I don't really check fundamentals as much, but that's good that you gave me this information because now I know. You feel me? I didn't even know that it was because the yen just bought up at that price.
Yeah, I mean, the only like cool thing about fundamental is like you just it gives you more confidence, you know, like
yeah, of course. You have an overall view. You have an overall view of the market. Yeah. When I started learning how to trade, I didn't really I just looked at price action. But yeah, I mean, I still have so much more to learn. I've been profitable now, but there's still so much more to learn.
I know a lot of people who just trade technical, you know, and they still profitable, you know. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need to, but also you gotta look at it this way, you know, like the market, like the odds are already against you in these markets, you know.
Yeah,
so
of course.
If you have tools to grab it and become better, why not? You know, you just have to be open to it, you know. But it's just a lot of information, you know. Like, it's a lot of things. I mean, it does it basically drowns your energy, you know, like your brain sometimes, you know. Because like it's a lot of information you put, like it's a lot of things you have to read, you know, articles. Like I mean, think about it this way: like Google has everything, like literally everything.
Yeah,
you can ask for it, you know.
And now there's things like Forex Factory, like FinViz that make things a lot easier for us traders. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to still put in work. You still have to research Forex Factory. You have to still research all these things.
Yep.
And read all you see where it says why traders care. Those things like that are important. Yeah. I read those things sometimes, and it makes a lot of things make sense in the market. You know what I mean? And it correlates with like trading and shit. But yeah, it's good to have you here, bro.
Appreciate it. Where's Emmett at? Is he he has a business meeting?
I think he left.
Dollar left too, bro. Dollar hasn't slept for shit, bro.
Dollar's still in here.
Still in here.
It's crazy, bro. This guy's a warrior. Taking care of New York and London.
We got Rona.
Ronar's in here too?
You used to it, huh, dog?
What it do?
What up, Ronar?
Let's get it, Woody.
I better see some wins today, boys. I'm kind of sad this morning. I got hacked, so I better see some people win today.
What you mean you got hacked, boy?
Bro, my Steam account got hacked, dog, by some Indian-ass, pussy-ass nigga, dog.
Bro.
For real? Yeah, it's some email that I don't know who the fuck it is, but whatever. It don't matter. Yo, listen, don't get another one, dog. What it is?
Whatever. Yeah, I'm excited for New York, bro. We're gonna be staying in the same room and shit.
Yo, we're gonna be lit.
That's gonna be lit.
Are you guys going to the fights? I'm not going to the fights. I've already decided.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to that, brother.
I'm not going.
Nah, bro. I wanna explore New York and shit.
Dog, I'm gonna definitely explore New York, and I'm gonna get on the subway. Definitely.
Yeah, bro.
I wanna see
shit
rats.
like that.
I wanna see rats. I wanna see someone get mugged. I wanna see all that.
Yeah, I've never been to New York, bro, and I haven't seen snow either.
I don't think it's gonna snow that weekend, bro. It's gonna be. We're gonna be in like fall season.
Square, bro, like, bro.
I'm excited for New York though.
I've never left Miami. You have to understand this.
For real?
I'm a Miami boy.
Yeah, we gotta get you.
I'm a super Miami boy.
Island boy, baby. We're island boys.
Right.
Where we're going as corporate people, dog, and you know, people with morals and.
I don't think they got the best morals.
I'm gonna call it a night, Ronar. I see you at 2.
Dale, Bobby, good night. See you at 2. Hurry the fuck up. You know, you got a couple hours.
I know.
Later.
Bye.
What was I gonna say, bro? I feel like Miami is like not USA.
It is not, dude. It's like a Puerto Rico. I'm like,
basically some shit like that.
Bro, I'm telling you.
You don't see the same things, bro. Miami is fucking built different. And when you come here to Miami and you live here for at least a year, you're gonna notice why we say that it's not part of the U.S.
I mean, look, whoever moved into Tampa, into Orlando, your initiation was just a couple weeks ago, like a couple days ago.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, pray for those, bro. Those houses were fucked, dude. I remember when we got fucked.
Yeah, bro. Tampa is, well, all that side
Clear
over there
water.
fucked.
Yeah.
Fucking Sanibel, all that shit, dude. Fucking Fort Myers. He got raped by the weather.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. What was I gonna say? Yo, JP.
Yo.
Should we wrap this shit up?
Yeah, we're gonna call it a day here, guys.
We're gonna be back tomorrow, boys, 6:30. Stay tuned. We're up.
Oh, so you guys do free market?
We do.
Yeah, we're basically doing free market. Yeah.
We do London, New York crossover. We're just
we're
testing. We're testing it out, you know. To be honest with you, I think we're the first.
Go to EU right now.
We're one of the first.
Go look at EU and US 30.
Look. What wasn't it? Yeah, we're doing the New York crossover and shit.
What you looking for, EU? Ronnie? Because, I mean, there's not much going on. You just consolidate.
Yeah, it's in a fat range. I'm not gonna trade that 1 hour range.
No. No, because, like, I was looking for, like, shit that I trade during this time.
Are you bearish or bullish?
I'm bearish.
So you're looking for a pullback to continue selling it?
Yes, sir. I'm always looking for sells. Never. I mean, dog, I'm both ways, dog. I win and I buy and sell.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm still learning. I don't know, like, terms or anything, but, like, just by looking at charts and shit, I kind of like, you know, more or less. Okay, this one. Like, I was on the drawdown of EU when it took down like 200 pips. I was on that from the beginning, before like before the news even hit. Yeah, I went from $38 to $500 on my account, and it was live account, no demo, no nothing. Just me learning, you know, losing money, making money. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I was on that, and that was me reading it. I don't know what you guys know. Like, I just, you know, I was like, damn, bro, look at this, and then look at the daily. It just hit the high. Look at the patterns. Everything looking the same, bro. It's like a game. At the end of the day, like, I feel like if you could really read this shit and know where it's going, bro,
unlimited.
You're gonna fucking be winning every day, dude. It's just I got greedy. I could have been up 700. 800, I just got greedy, and then it came back down, and then I fucking backlashed me and retested. But I took profit. I took 400 out. You know, I learned from that. I was like, damn, bro, if I could do this every day, you're fucking stacking. But lately, the market's been kind of like fucking with me. So, like, I haven't really traded. But
I mean, it's been tough. It's been tough lately. I agree with you. It's definitely been tough. I mean, not much things clear, you know, like, you obviously don't want to sell at the low, you know what I'm saying? You obviously would want to see, you want to sell at a discount, you know, better areas, keep continuing. But I mean, just look at it this way, you know, like, you're always going to learn, you know, in these markets. Like, there's always, like, as much as you become better, there's always something to learn, you know, like, there's no perfection in it, you know, none of us are perfect.
Facts.
That's true, bro.
No, of course, 100%. That's why, dude, I love this community. It's like everybody learns from everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I love rolling with you guys, for real. But like I said, look, so US 30, I would wait till it hits that lower, like, I can't see, that 28,702. I would wait until it hits there and then be waiting for buys. Right there's that buy zone. For
Yeah,
sure.
I mean, you're looking to hold it, right? You more like a long term.
Yeah. On that sell would be a long-term sell, a hold, and then waiting for that buy on the bottom.
Yeah, so that's a nice move
we're
right
not
there.
really
That's like a
selling. We're not
bounce.
really looking for that profit on sales. We're just looking for that profit on that buy, though.
I get you.
That's where I'm looking right
But
now, to be honest.
all right, guys, we're gonna call it a day here. Any trade breakdown, any potential trade that we'll see, we'll call it on the chat. For those that are in the VIP, I think everybody on the YouTube is in the VIP, and if you're not in the VIP, you can just go and subscribe. Bro, we want to thank all of you guys for being here, by the way. So,
Thank you, Dr. Cook, for the golden ounce.
of course. You guys can reach us out at Snipes Instagram or my Instagram, and we'll get back to you guys.
Hell yeah. Let's keep this shit up. Right now we're up 2-0 on New York sessions.
Facts.
Hopefully we can keep that up. We had a good start for New York. Let's keep on running this shit.
Let's get it. Peace out, boys.
Peace out, brother.
Peace out, everybody.